To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Say, no, my youth, and no lamb, no, them, there's something there. I say, I warms me there, no youth, I have to just wait until I come out. Give me around 4 or 5 days, and 4 or 5 days, I have left to come out. So, what you want me to do? You want to make things bad for me? Just go on easy, man. Just go and relax yourself. So I pray you go on differently on the ground. You can't come with so foolishness, you know. That is it, man. 4 or 5 days, just make that go off, you see it. Anyways, I know I say, I'm going to use the bathroom door. So here what? Just give me 5 to 10 minutes, I call her back. Aye.
Wow, that's sad. And there's a cool door. No sun, no outside. More credit. I have to go live, go play a tune back.
Girl, how am? Why is that? Every time I hear say you choose to come sit down. Palm me black here so my ends.
I don't know say you build somewhere over here, so anybody can sit down anywhere they want to sit down.
Oh, so badness you push.
I'm not sure badness, but me attack true.
Cause you come like say you must want me fist in your mouth or give you one uppercut. To make you know who you are dealing with. Cause I don't think you know who you are dealing with.
Am I there, so? Or somebody else have to the years so can't me attack. I could never me attack. I have to joke camera. Prank right now.
Hello, hey girl, you're lucky, you know. You're lucky. Hello.
I'm always lucky.
Alright, give me a second.
Why today plan to sit down?
Yo, bro, right now, it come like some I have to go back in that business, you know. Cause this girl just, one girl, they over here so come like saying just want to stress out my little brain. You know, say every minute, the girl come sit down for my block. And me alone sit down under the say, you know. Up to them girl and them boy, they were so afraid of me. All you know, say boy, they can't converse, but they're still afraid of me. This girl now come like he want come broke my meds and a 4 days me have to left to come out as so where this a girl want me to do youth? He come like this a girl want me go back for remanding. A remanding she want me go up on no? Remanding.
Oh my God, I just don't understand what really are going on here, so.
Mommy, now you tell me about if you take it easy, you know, because this a girl just a draw me right now. How do the girl know who I deal with? Eh? Wonder if the girl know who me really be. Eh, bro, God? Bro, I'm tell you, yo. See, right now, I go back over here, you know, because right now, me there, I go and you know what? I'm going to teach a girl Alice. Hey, girl. I'm like, say, I want me take this and lick. You know me? You know who me? You know what, ya? What is for me, Father God? How are you, bad for? Me lick ya? Watch ya? Then, Father God, what is for me? Me spin me roll. Can I come like say? Watch ya? Girl, how are you?
You remind me of my big sister.
Me remind you of your sister.
Yes.
So, what is your sister? What happened to your sister? What's she there?
I see him say she did a behave one time I broke her buckle and liquor in her head.
Box cover.
That's
You know about the badness then, man. You know about the badness. So tell me something, don't ball now. Anyways, everybody have their own rough patch. So, me can't tell us enough to cry. But guess what? What you think with it? You think we are no normal high school? This is a high school, you have things what we do. You understand? So, just go and take it easy. You can't hold less spot there for today. Now grow on so because my class soon start. Here? So you can stay here so, and go and cry. So, I go to class here later. But bro, today I have let you know. And me man, me happy. That's what I'm call about. Hello? Girl, why you look so sad today again?
No, teacher tell me so if you take out me here and put them a sitting in my head like she feels say me a baby or something.
And that mean a detention to you know. A year. But me not take out my hair. Cause enough money them pay for do this. I see it, Pupani. You can now pamper hairstylist.
Well, they have to put me in the detention because I not take out me here. I'm going to care about this girl teacher because me no baby. No. It's expensive for go there here and then for go take coffee and put in them and sitting there. I clip them here, you know.
Then are you that be easy to put in them there. Oh. My girl, let me tell you something. You can't make them a people get to your head. You see me? Cause let me tell you something, you know. Them a get paid from the government for we, you know. So you see certain levels where them want me to bow down to, that could never work. Never. In my lifetime, that could never work. You hear me? I tell you so. Them a tell you if you do that, is a no. I stay in a detention. Cause me nah put no clip in a for me head like me a picnic for true. You must say mad.
Oh. Go care about go get teacher.
Because
I don't know what me did take in the first place for. I true me never want to be disrespectful, you know, because okay, man. You're good
Alright,
though.
yeah, girl, alright. Put a smile on your face. Can't get
Why
up
me
every day and
smile?
sad like that. Remember, so we there, so you know, because we do things. So,
We have to do
worry
so
yourself.
for a reason. But anyway, later, I'll see you
Alright.
around.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel wonder if she really do things or she not do nothing at all. Because every meet a bad like a some cry baby. Bro.
Sister, yeah, go on with.
There, you know, I go on easy.
You have yourself.
Yeah, bro, yeah, so me have here myself.
You know that smile in your hide everything you want to smile in.
No, bro, me have here myself because I guess what? Remember say days I'm a count down, you know. So alright, so every minute me get up, check it days them. So me I go and ease myself, bro, you know. But anyways though, me not go tell her no like, you know, so me can't tell her lie already.
Lord of mercy, what you gonna tell me now? What go on?
Why you know say I want girl from where you some man.
What you do to him?
Me not do nothing yet, you know, bro. Me not do nothing yet, and me not go do nothing. It's that every time this girl come under my spot, under a tree right there, so my eyes are sit down. Every minute this girl just a stalk me so.
Stalk, yeah.
Like, she knows that she not supposed to sit down on my block there so. And my block there so. So she not supposed to go there, but it's like she a try to show me something. So, me not tell her like, me take up one broad piece of sitting.
Pity must not lie, you tell me.
No, I'm serious, bro. Why would I tell her like, me take up one broad piece of something, and by the time I go,
The principal says she want to talk to me, you know. The woman on the place says she want to talk to me because that's something I don't know. And I cannot carry out?
Yeah, listen, you know, listen.
Tell me because I'm nervous.
I'm nearly go so room. And you see by time, me wall up his so. Now you would have cast same time and got up on the inside. Because guess what now? You see afterwards me I come back now, bro. The girl start ball.
Wait, me she start ball like that.
The girl start look up for me and start ball.
You fling something lick in her head before you reach
no, bro, me no did nothing at all and the girl start ball. Me I feel say what kind of mental home this mean. And what kind of something this mean, bro?
You sure say I want coconut tree and he drop I want coconut drop in her head and knock him?
Bro, me say no drop in her head.
So she just start ball, sir?
He just start ball. You understand? So anyways now, when he start ball now and sit now, I'm go up there now and I spin the roll. And I say, Father God, I could have caused this. I say, girl, what do you? She say, me remind her of her sister. So me I say, me, what is your sister? What is your sister? Where your sister there? Yeah, what she go say now, bro? I see somebody broke her back and slap her in her head. And make she drop out like that. You feel say,
So she... That's why she there, sir?
Yeah, bro.
But you tell nobody why you're there?
No.
Make sure you tell nobody. Don't lose your focus over there, sir. Next 2 days, you're out of the place, sir. You understand me?
Bro,
I remember, say, when you come out of the place, the mentality have got change. I until you say, you know, don't go a road certain way, but me tell you that the way the home you talk, man, you want people to hear me. You can't go a road that way. You understand me? Sir?
Bro, remember saying no. Remember saying no. Sometimes places change you. I get what I say.
You pray in the morning.
So,
you read the Bible?
Yeah, I read the Bible, man.
The only way you can change.
I read my Bible, bro.
If you even meet nobody and link up with nobody, you can change. You have to read the Bible and have an internal change. You understand me? I say? But see, you're gonna give me a signal, so do your thing. Remember now, you know, next 2 days. Just don't do nothing. Stay far from the mad girl if that's the case. You hear me say?
Yeah, me
sister,
just...
You hear me say, sister,
yeah,
stay
bro,
far from the mad girl there.
Alright. Yeah, so me just gonna make sure just take his spot.
Yeah, make him take his spot. Because
Cause
you soon left his spot.
yeah, me just making take his spot. Cause me well want come out in a bro. Got me
That's
happy.
cool, man. That's cool,
You
man.
say you see them food
That's
when
cool,
them a
man.
cook it don't taste good, bro.
What you want? The first meal or what you want? What your first meal go on?
KFC.
What's that Kentucky, man? Alright, we say again, here.
Yeah.
Ay,
How's that one?
what the hell? I'm not able to get your name.
Oh, you know say. Thank my name Becky, but they call me Beck.
Oh,
So you hear me just right?
your name Becky, but then call her Beck.
Yeah.
My name Marka.
Alright.
I would have come visit you. No, nobody saw me a fast in your business or nothing, but true nobody never come visit me or nothing like that.
You know say, really and truly, I don't want nobody to pray out me. I don't want nobody to pray out me thing or ask me nothing.
No, nothing like that. Me not pray at a thing. I don't nothing like that. I just because nobody never come look for me, but it's alright. Me try. It good. Me try.
Alright, come here, come here. Come here. Boy, sometimes I have to remember, you know, say, and like everybody me feel really treat like dog. But me just want you to know, say, I grew up rough. Gangster me I tell about. You see me, but
Me understand. Me understand when you say everything now, but me try to be a friend, but obviously you know want me to be a friend. And another thing, I 2 days me have you so left back. I mean I have nowhere to go. All of my family there, nobody now want to see me because of the incident what happened with me and my sister. So me kinda stressed out right now. Me not even know. Probably a roadside me go depend on my left hand.
girl, wake up, man, wake up. Wake up. 2 more days me having a so too.
You too lie.
I swear, girl, 2 more days. You see the question you ask me, I go who come check me? I'm a brother that. I'm not talk about no pam brother what I read me. I talk about blood brother. Come check me. 2 more days, girl. So you say you don't know where to go on. Don't worry about that.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure, don't worry about that.
So you sure say your brother go one stranger to come live with him?
Just stop in as the man me talk to him. You know my brother stay. See my brother have a soft heart. Me heart weak to people. You understand? So when you come out to people, he's weak. So anyways.
Anything else, sir?
Now later, yeah?
Later, I got class.
Yeah.
You sure say this go? You sure say better go allow me to come with me?
Girl, just relax yourself, man. And me run certain things, you know. No matter of fact, me run everything.
Remember, say better not know nothing about me, you don't know me. So, I'm scared.
Girl, you're so Gigi. You say if you calm down yourself, everything will be alright.
Alright, anything else, but
You
didn't tell him about me?
And that me I going to know.
So how you have to do it for the appointed time?
Girl, what me just tell her say? What me just tell her say? No worry yourself, everything are gonna be alright. Actually, me don't want to chat certain things, you know. You understand? And just I get free out of so you know this a hold down, dirty place. Hold down place. Anyways, everything will be alright. As I said, just go and come see. Shut outside, road forward. Watch out now. Stay here so nice from here.
Come in, sis.
Girl, here man, relax now.
General. We back the man, chow. Go on,
Watch on, bro.
What now?
I see for reason with a boy, you know.
Come talk to me now, what?
Alright. I see girl. What me there tell her about that day. You know, say she come out just like me today and she don't know if to stay. So, I there tell her, I say, I can't come for my black man.
Jesus Christ, man. I mean, just feel say, I mean, no, say something like this, but me I hope say that you're going to tell me what your amount, you know. But you love to trust people, so. We don't know what's going on already. Why you make it seem like you don't understand the circumstances of what's going on, you know. You're there already, you do your time. What you want to do time with somebody else again?
No, bro. I know say
And a girl that way, sir?
Yes.
Jeez, I'm fitting once. You see she look like she.
Bro, come on, man. Everybody
Hot girl that, you know. Mean say that them girl you carry with trust like that. A girl in the street. Right now, we don't know if they gonna carry a 10 man come in your yard. And that you want? Girl, look for her. A girl will do road. You know, can't see it. Looking at her here. Right now, I can't see her. So, but, look, what kind of hairstyle that?
No hairstyle like mine.
No, feel different. Yo, me tell you, man. It's the people act normal, they can see it. Because guess what now? You choose black because you think normal. She want to stand out because what? She got color bright here. Why she look so much attention for the first place?
Bro, you know, say, bro, where you going for here, fan?
Yeah, because
about here, bro.
I judge a person based on how them choose stuff. You know what I say, go?
Bro, listen.
Low profile person. Come on, man. I mean, what you say?
Bro, everybody deserve a second chance, just like me now. I want a second chance to make it right.
Me don't call it fourth chance or fifth chance.
Alright, fourth and fifth chance. A girl do something and that is in the past. I know she don't have nowhere to stay and my heart has a help her, so it's not like me I trust people every minute. My heart I tell me if it help her. Bro, just come on.
How long she gonna stay around? How long you play? I ain't reach so far yet. You just plan to play it by ear and then whenever. That type plan?
I just gonna make she stay till she get up back on her foot them.
Remember this, you know, remember some me control certain things for you, you know. Why? Okay, trust me. If you never trust me in the first place, you will not allow me to control for your money and where you go do your work and rating for you know, enough things that people see me with, you know, like a vehicle, a fear vehicle. Nobody knows I fear vehicle, listen. But at the end of the day, me I say, you have to trust me all the way, sis. Can you trust me? But here I'm gonna do still. I just done said to me say, as something we I use, I first be use a word about your heart. I use a heart in a certain things. And that means that you get here then. And your trust are, you know, on different dimensions. So make you know, like you plan it out already.
Yeah, bro.
So basically what she wait for coming in the car, not true? And that one?
Eh?
She wait for coming in the car. Can you tell her so she can come already, not true?
Yeah, bro, me tell her say me want talk to you cause me know say everything will be alright. That me tell her.
But the thing is, Beck, talking to me about something and making a decision before you talk to me is like, you know, it's like a tomato and onion. You understand me? I say two different things. But as me I say, me trust you and you know say if I that say can we work together a long time and we understand each other. And then the first time in a long time you hear talk about your trust from your heart. So obviously he's a nice person. So
yeah,
me not judge her. See?
Connect to her, you know.
Alright. Call her forward and you ready. Go on call her now.
Yo.
You see she now look, go on call her.
Bro, the style I can't bother with fear. No. Hello. So everything will be alright.
You sure?
I got this, I'm sure.
You have to make sure because people use the things and beat them inside and all that then
You say everything alright. Right now you get through. You can come home with me and things. You understand? So stop and worry yourself. As we say, if you don't trust you.
anything I say, just when me happy still in about me just want to make sure say brother alright with all of this. I feel happy inside but it now come outside.
Well, I mean you run things, you know.
So who are older one?
I'm my older one. But no worry about that. You know what I really and truly do? Me not used to people that ask me so much questions and I look at question thing and me not too deal with it, you know.
Sorry about that. Just because when me over here for me, I see you wanna talk. And how your brother feels, so make me say, Lord Jesus Christ, rest of this now go work out. So me have to turn me back. You know see?
Yo, girl, come on.
You sure? Alright, yeah.
Yo, go on the back seat. I grow on so.
My name is Bruno. Bruno, what's your name?
Michael.
Wow.
Welcome home, sis.
Home sweet home.
Tell it. Yeah, man, we can't put on the back. What era? You see me tell about my vehicle, so I go start one thing and come back. So I soon for yeah?
Alright,
Just make sure you get settled in a place, man. Welcome home. Yeah, mama Sita. Alright, so sis, hang your bang there.
Alright, bro.
And you could drink some fridge if you want to drink some drinks. But don't drink no alcohol. No yet. Alright?
Alright, bro. Go and do what you do.
Soon come.
The neighborhood nice. Remote gate. Your brother place nice.
Alright, come on, I'm show you around. Say you don't know, say. Yeah, put on your bag. You don't know, say. This is a living room. Bathroom over there, so. My brother room, all I say, see. But, Marika, I'm a heart I use and trust alone now. A long time I use my heart and trust people. You get what I say?
I understand.
Me bringing you home where me and my brother live. I trust you now. You understand?
Yeah.
Cause me not gonna tell you no lie now. You see that every day, just you want to take a broad piece of wood, man, and just knock you out with it. Cold too. But based on what you tell me, I just put that aside and just make I go and stay there. So, cause really and truly, I like when people run in for my thing, you know. I like people running in my space. People not do that. You understand?
Yeah, I appreciate everything you do for me because nobody never really do this thing about. Thanks again for letting me know your home. I nobody feel like say I go there something. I not there nothing. You understand?
Never see you can't do me nothing, you know. You understand? But me know deep down say you can't. But anyway stills.
Yeah, me not gonna say.
Anyway stills. You see, you go and stay yourself in a coach. Cause more while around some my brother stay, but more while him know he ain't gonna go and deal with him business. Or he ain't gonna some girl they had, but really and truly a delivery work him do.
So you tell me say we are left from the place where we are left from bed and we are come and sleep on a couch.
Nothing wrong with coach. Matter of fact too. Me and you go and kick it off around us. So my time. You understand? Remember you know what we did there on a bed of rose, you know, so you get this a nice old coach, you feel down, you know, you feel grateful, man, not be ungrateful.
I don't say me ungrateful or nothing. I just say something.
No, but they are so ungrateful, I know.
No, I'm not ungrateful.
Alright,
I really appreciate it.
Anyways, I really want to tell you, say, I don't want you to let me down.
Me have your back, man. Know yourself.
Cause me being real to you, I want you to be real to me too. You understand?
Yeah.
So just make yourself comfortable and think.
I like it. I like the place still. It's nice. I never know if a place big.
Nice man, so I not tell us man I see everything and my brother control for me. In control money for me and every other little things.
So you're rich.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Just make yourself comfortable. And as me say, me use my heart and I trust you right now. So don't let me down.
Nah, let her down. Me have your back.
Alright.
Alright, so I think I want to shower up and change out of them clothes there. I will get something to eat first. I don't know.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah, me hungry.
No, your brother have run in as brother say juice in the fridge and female come mackerel them. You know, say in them they sit there me put them down for but maybe we can go and get something. What do you think?
Maybe we cook something that, you know, you know, feel for some homemade food.
To tell you the truth, you know. See, cooking thing with me, you know, where I send out people to get food for me, you know. A matter of fact, not people, my brother, because I not trust people. I send my brother to get food for me and then things there. So, for me, go run go cook.
Well, me love cook, so that not gonna be a problem for me.
Alright, then I can chef up something for yourself, then you don't want none do.
Why you not want to, why you not trust me?
No, say, I don't say not trust you, I just not feel for nothing right now. Where you are going to chef up, me don't want. I understand that some Kentucky me want right now, so say I road me there again.
Alright then, I want that then. Tomorrow me cook.
Alright then.
Alright, so.
Go and freshen up as well you say.
Alright, later.
Go on, pa. There, man, with their road. Which is right. So you say I go on with now. What? As me come on road, my youth, you couldn't make me breeze off. When I tell you something, I try to cool off for the thing there. You couldn't make me cool off, youth. This gym. What? So who you said this gym? Booby? Lord Jesus. Booby? You forgot say me and Booby you seen a dealings? Charger. Well, from I work, you know. So how your money part go now? Alright. You see money? Give me brother it. Me a show out now. Alright. No. Aye. Soon forward.
Yeah, go.
So Booby, how you and Jim?
Right now,
Or really go on with you and him?
right now, I don't even want to ask about all them man, you know. But I choose to ask about them man, you know. Them man, they're real.
My idea, so you ask me about them. Look where I'm going to see you. You ask me about Jim.
What you mean by them man them are real?
So you're interested to know why I'm not real? Why?
Yeah, me interested.
Why?
So it we not work for him, so I'm not interested to know.
Man, they're not real, man. Them man, they're not straight, man. Long story, man. Them man, they're not straight, man. So I just stay to myself, man, you know. Change up the ball game, you know. Yeah, man. They're very unfair, man.
So you wonder how me call her, right? You're not happy in yourself.
Some of them must happy to see you.
Oh.
Yeah, most.
I see.
Some of them always happy to see you.
Mm-hmm.
So
how things differently with you?
good, man. You know. Alright, man. Or I come check me and also I'm great. Kind of pass out and way, but I feel good for now, so I come link me still. You laugh after me.
No, me not laugh off of you.
Oh.
You say you feel good, so me a smile.
Yeah, and if I told me run from down the road, come check you out, I go make you laugh, saying it. Because when I come in, I see you laugh, like I say, oh, you run, sir? Yeah, man, that's alright, man, I do man and thing, man, I have to just, when you call me, I just run. Believe me.
So you're excited.
You know, I like express them things, man, but I don't know you're female still, so, I mean, I really like express them things, that's so deep, because remember, you know.
Alright, stop now, stop. Stop.
What are you talking about?
You come like say the Lulu. I saw you look dirty man stay. You just come up in a woman brain and tell them one bag of things. Like you feel I saw you get in a woman panty, you know. I saw you get in a woman panty with no sweet mouth. No bother with me with your sweet mouth. Can you know what I mean? I take it that way there. Out of
Relax, man.
And that's what you see.
Know, say everything I say from my heart, baby girl.
Heart. From heart. I know me believe Jim.
No, you what?
I know me believe Jim. Jim did right. All it's
no, you're gonna make me get serious now. Nobody mention Jim. How much time do you mention Jim and
idiot.
All that.
Girl, I want.
So you're not step with contact. Put my hand over here.
What happened?
Oh, what the your hand?
Girl, me go out the door a while ago, me see one dog. And the dog start rush me. And it's a good thing me have a knife, cause me is a girl, me not left my knife. So me just start hammer him, you see me? So, I saw come just see me hand look, so.
I believe you. Why you never just stick up on stone and fling off by dog? Dog afraid of stone, you go as far as have your dog. I never believe that.
Alright.
A lie.
Since I don't believe, pretend like I never see this.
Me try. What? You have to clean. Where your brother is that? But me hungry.
You have hand though.
Yeah, you catch right. I forgot by one new one. You know that should be so nice, yeah.
still have a car wash? Yeah, man, to everybody. Alright.
Beck! Beck!
Jason.
What name Jason?
You name Jason, yeah.
My name Jason, miss.
Oh, Masha, sorry about that. What did I take up from my ex-wife? Sorry about that, yeah. Oh, but I think of you know, we are not like that. So.
No, man. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't think of you as, mental, No, I wouldn't do that.
Mental?
No, I wouldn't do that. Because, when people think of, see a person in front of them, which is not that person, and saying it's somebody else, that would be mental. But that's not you. So, that's what I said. But you're good otherwise, though. You sure? Alright, nice. So where's Beck?
We should run a place.
They're in the place. Alright.
Bye.
But I'm thirsty. Beck!
Yeah.
Tell me something. Me no want toot no horn or you me no want make it sound away, but you sure your friend alright?
What kind of question to
What
ask
me
him,
say what
bro?
kind of question me ask you? Anytime me ask you things, me ask you based on surety or something, 50% higher than an opinion.
Bro, the girl good. I just want one thing where they go on with her, she and her sister.
Whoa, so what going with her sister?
She did take his stone and liquor in her head.
Stone, will you tell me back? Wait, talk to me straight.
No, I feel true.
Hmm?
The backer. My brain really mix up. And the backer she use against sister. I never want her tool it, but my sister drop out. So I know bro, people change. In a space of time we did it, so we do change. You understand? So you don't have nothing to worry about, nothing of the girl.
Me tell you this. Me in the kitchen a while ago. You know what the girl come to me and said to me? The girl said to me, Jason, what go on? Jason, look how far B different J.
Who named Jason?
Exactly the question I asked you. So when she said to me, say, Jason, what go on? I said, who named Jason? And she said to me, say, you look like my ex. I don't know if I crazy or she try put on some words for, like just start a conversation. I don't know. So it's like me really, I said to myself, say, I wonder if you know who you have around yourself. In a few
Bro,
place.
listen. She say, yeah, she think you're the one her ex-boyfriend where she did with the name Jason, right? Maybe it was a person where she did do it for long and she miss him till she had like a different person, Jason. So I don't nobody pre them the way they bro. Bro God, we not no mad somebody in there. Remember me telling you my heart me was and trust the girl, So nobody
Just
say.
make sure you say certain things straight, certain way. That's all me I say. Cause a girl that really make me start think certain. Cause I don't know, that type first thing. I'm gonna like judge people. I like to, me not break down people's character. I want them to show me who they are, so I believe them. And but she show me say she mad right now. I'm gonna believe her.
Alright then, bro. Watch you now.
How long she stay for? Long is long and short of the question. What in your mind? Cause you can't be forever. Or what you plan for other part?
2 months me I give girl and put her up back. Make she come up back on her foot and try fi set one little thing for her and get one place for her. Cause bro, say my name big in the streets already and thing. So you not have to come in a circle and stress out yourself like you want to stress me out too. Cause bro, remember say if you go stress out yourself, you make me stress, You understand? And no boy and no girl can make even a little pin drop on you and me no wipe them out. So stop from stress out yourself, cause like girl they can't do nothing at all. You understand? She can't do nothing and she can't do me nothing.
You may say, man, see, I gotta just go relax a little bit. This is so crazy. Yo, believe me. So how you sleeping thing about? When I go sleep what you say?
Yeah,
You be young still, but me I say more know what I go on cause
she can't take a coach. Me and her take a coach. And most of the time, I go out, me not sleep when she sleep in her couch.
alright, we see what I go on, but check her. Some I don't know. Just make sure she's good. That's all me I say.
So she run this right now.
Yeah, she run this now. You I'm gonna link her because obviously I ask her about the whole situation.
Alright. Marika, what going on with you?
What mean by that?
My brother say you're mental. You mental?
Your brother say mental.
Yeah, like your mother or something. So I want to know if you bring in one mental somebody in me and my brother house.
No, me tell her it's like since evening when the brother come in, like his face just look like for me ex. That's why I walk up to him and call him my name, but I never have a purpose of mistake. People make mistake. Nobody not perfect.
But why when the first time you see him, you never said Jesus?
I never did I really look for your brother that much because only did I have a conversation I carry in face to look vexed, ignorant. So I never did I look for him. When he come through the door since evening, in face look like from my ex, I'm just oh wow. You never see somebody and then favor somebody yet.
Why only thing me see now? Only thing me see now, my girl. A dopey. So you know what that mean already?
I kind of feel bored, so no ice cream place then around the place so we can go ice cream. Because me in a house every day from me come from me not even want to call him name. From me come from this so me just want to feel free, like me just want to walk, stretch my leg or something.
Ice cream. That's one great feature, you know. That can go on for a cool long my dear, even though a bad girl not have ice cream. Get what I say, but
You
can't take a walk. Come on, we take a walk. Shh. Shh. Breathe. Come on, we take a walk.
Yo. Welcome back to last.
Sir Hendrix?
Yeah man, I'm Mr. Hendrix. Who may I say? I want
Yeah, police.
police?
Yeah, Mr. Hendrix.
Yes sir.
More have a word there now. Alright?
Are you alone out there, sir?
That no matter you, no my last. More have a word
Alright,
there.
talk to me fast. I'm kind of busy now.
Hold on.
Are somebody I look for bossy?
No, we just make sure say you're alone in there.
I'm alone there, right?
Anyway. Alright. Are your vehicle out there down there? 5294 CC?
Yes, boss. Again, yes. What's the problem? I don't understand why you look like you look for somebody. Nobody not there about me, boss.
Me can't come in back?
Yeah, man, start brothers because you have warrant for enter my property, boss.
That is the reason I ask you first if I can.
Alright, talk to me straight and plain because we cannot busy at Mrs. Phone.
Anyway, listen to me. We just want to establish that you're a vehicle, you know. And the vehicle, it was involved in a serious crime.
When you say serious crime, what are you talking about?
Serious crime, man. Anyway, we have it on CCTV. That particular vehicle there. You understand? That is the reason why, listen, I will trace it, which led me here, up to your place. And I'm glad they tell me, say, you are the owner. So you know what that mean?
No, I don't know what that mean.
All right.
So my vehicle can park anywhere and it leave off at one spot or something. Or me drive.
Listen to me, sir. We're currently in an investigation. You understand? More if you get what you mean and the problem where you're in.
Mean a problem?
Your vehicle in your yard, that on camera. You understand? So.
Me no problem.
All right.
When you sort out down on a place, then you can. First things first, you shouldn't even come to my place. You have a warrant, sir?
I ask if I can come in and you tell me say yes.
Yeah, because me think
all right. Argument, you give up your rights to say you tell me if you come in, So just
right.
Anyway.
So me can't tell you if you come out now?
You can't say what you want to say now, but me I tell you this, Bridget. Zane, pretty soon, anytime now, I come up here. And you have to come answer some question.
Don't worry about that.
You have to answer some question.
Look at me. I'm looking at me afraid. Come do nothing. Me innocent.
All right.
So me not go act like me I shake or me nervous or nothing like that.
We'll see.
Yourself. Have a nice day, sir. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. We like how you talk now. Yeah.
So there must have talk.
Look how you see.
What are them?
To make bad girl eat you.
So I never done something here before.
By the incident, brother. Anyways, more while after them two ice cream and enjoy life, man.
Which is right.
But to your life, I don't know. I have to just live it to the fullest. You know what I say? But anyways, now my thing ready now to turn up on no corner, You know, man, I know either can go and free out my style. What? I already asked already? I'm ready.
Come on then.
So enjoy ice cream, right? Bruno?
One time in a private.
Alright.
You can go in a room and lock up here.
Go in a room.
She's come and talk to me.
Oh, bro, what no?
You know, say police come here today.
Police?
Police come here today.
So police come here for?
What do you mean what police come here for? You have to tell me that where you drive your van go.
But drive your van go up and you go buy something and come back.
Tell me the truth.
Alright, bro. I'm alive, Bobby.
You couldn't call me and tell me say something was going on because when the police are coming in place, I want to say if I missed it. I didn't even know say police. After I say my police, I think I'm done up the door, I don't want them go, like I say boy, me I keep them out or this or that. I'm thinking something what they want to hand to me based on one of your things them free up. Why you do it so early? Why? Me know say you deal with certain things. So Bobby know your man, your ex-man.
Ex-man. And no matter of fact, I'm living with ex. We used to talk. Anyways, you know say two I work for gym, right? And in this gym, and nobody can this gym and get away with it. And you know say I'm work that. So I'm work me I do the only somebody me can save in a life is you. Mommy and daddy not there. Me nah no rest of family, I just you and my family. So if a boy tell me say them a put money for your head. And them, me I take money and go for them. So, him just one time, so I just analyze him in this gym and I walk. The money not reach there yet.
At that, I see people drop out money, I say, what money you come to me for? What money you come to me for? I say to myself, Jesus Christ, man. I think I went just one long time payment or something. I never know say as a reaching, sis, you have to take her easy off the road, you know. Sis, me I talk to you, sis, look for me now, man. Don't do that, man. Just understand, say, take a month or two and make a cool down a little bit. Because I say no police come out here. From police come out the yard, you know what's next. So stay low and lay low. Them all have me the license plate on the car. How you do it? Which way you do it?
Right now, I'm Mr. Link shop.
So you know the camera there. You see you know, you
know the camera there, but guess what? I'm just some man has one cap, you know. I know the camera there. But a brawling badness me do, you know that too, so what? They can't catch me easy. So, I ask one question, the police come and say today, did they try to do any damage to you and touch you or nothing?
No.
So you know how we police?
Leave that alone, man. Make the police.
Bro, me ask one question, you know how which police come out today?
I know your questions and the foundation, the root of which party that lead to, you know. So left that alone. You understand me I say? And you can't, you can't feel like you can protect me forever and do people certain things. Because certain people still have them parents, you know, like, because that the youth, you know, so you have one youth, but you know, take care of still. But at the end of the day, you know what I mean? So you have to calm down, sis.
Listen.
Next thing, me not trust that girl. Yeah, I use your heart, me I use my spirit. Something, a bro. But me I left it there so. Yeah, me I say to you, ease off of the receiving phone. Just ease off of it a little bit. You can't do that for me. You can't do that for your brother.
Alright, me I go try. Because you know so there's something that me enjoy doing them things and so. Wait. Alright.
$3 million.
Bro.
$3 million.
$3 million money?
Yeah. Well, that's what I say, ease off your mouth.
So when the money they add for the $3 million, how much is that?
Huh?
When the money we get today, when that add for the $3 million we have, how much that?
At $3 million. I must say at 2.5 million have enough.
Bro, $3 million.
You know, I'm going to start though. I'm going to start sending you a text message and time money forward and time receipt coming on them something so you know exactly what I want.
No.
Sis.
You know me can't deal with the phone thing. Phone thing I informer right now.
Alright.
You see them call coming to me. I don't know number there, you can't check you know. An unknown number coming to me when me get something there. No.
But do this to me now. It's easier for us money. You can do that. And make sure that girl just keep her in your check. Don't leave her our side. Yeah?
Bro, you know, say, I don't promise you no. But I'm going to try for you. Bro, alright. 1 month. 1 month.
1 month and it's easier for her. See?
Alright.
I'm not stay tonight, so you can't stay in a room and see?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, where say I go on now, my general? What you mean by me if you come back for me things them? So all of them things I reach, you say no. What that for? No, me don't come back for me things them because I don't like the idea how you disrespect my business. I don't like them the style. And that's how we grow. No, me can't believe you really make you reach yourself.
Easy money for me.
Alright. No man, you don't have to bother explain man. Because you don't disrespect my business already. So watch you now. If you cut all problem, I go just forward for my things them. Because right now I tell you say my yard me just reach you know. I'm tired you know you would. And so I go all asleep you know. And now I tell me to come back a road and come back for me things them right now. I tell me like me not even all come back to my yard and now forget no rest. I fall for me things them still, man.
Yo, what kind of sadness this? Eh? What kind of sadness this today? How with the Jim? Yo.
Yo, I agree.
What kind of style is youth?
Take away your set what you talk about.
I mean by what me I talk about? What kind of style is?
You talk about.
My youth, me there from morning I wait for the boy.
So
And he just a come and now he gone. What kind of style thing this?
which style thing? What you talk about? You get the job done already?
How me forget the job done? And I from morning me there youth. And the man just a forward in and gone. Like a set up thing this. I set me up, Jim.
Which setup, man? And where you set it? Not say some man. Which setup? Here what you do? Here what you do? Your best thing you do, left is seeing. Left is seeing.
Left is seeing. Left is seeing. So your money go?
So where you go to stay there if you see?
How your money go? How your money go?
You not do your work. You not get the job done. So when more than a pay you for again. But
Oh.
basically you cancel you know.
Okay. So I just say reach him. I just say reach. Me never know say how that style me in that kind of way then but everything good.
Yeah, me talk to you. Just let me see it.
Everything good, man. Yeah, you boy one in your head.
You know why you don't want to answer the phone and you know why you take so long to answer the phone. About 2 hours me they call you. Me I call you 1 hour straight yesterday. And you know long me sit down right up on the veranda calling you not answer the phone. Girl on can stay so you say we are family. When me gonna stay so? Why not have to wait till when somebody dead before you start put out money and something to help them? What not do? You not spend one bag of money when people dead. Like I sound no glad to them dead. Eh? One heap of food and something. Let me tell you something, you know. Yeah. What? So if I know my relative too? Yes, me know the whole of we are family. But me get to understand, say, you see, uno kind of people, God forgive me and pardon me, but Father God, you know, say, I no lie, me I tell. You see, when you're living, and you're hungry and you suffer, family no member you, no cure them heavy, and no cure you in need of it or you want it. They do not remember you. Yeah, man, me full of attitude. Thank you. You have to have attitude in a dem time. And this is 2025. And let me tell you something. Me not make no uno me lead me astray. Yeah, me I say. Me I go tell you straight up where me they come from right now. So what? Yeah, me I hear. Me not get no time to talk. Okay. Me I hear you. Oi, nobody go there so. Nobody go there so. Let me tell you something. Since as you're like go down that the road there with me and you want to go down there with me, you see? Make me tell you something. One stop right there. So you see stop sign? STOP. You tap right there so. Listen to me now. You see the money one of these send come give me towards the funeral? Me then give them the all of it. Half of it me use. And me have the rest. And you know why me not even buy one bag of what? Me no want hear that. You know why me never buy not even one bag juice out of it? Or one sweetie? Because me know no full of corruption. You look like you all on a pray for people dead. Oh no corrupt. And no heart no good no bad mind. And I come buy flowers I come put on people. What? Look where you gone. I can't tell me about your friend say, me if you go tell we family them condolence because she did live out here side of them as next door neighbor. Who you want who your friend? Me I talk to you about we family we pass and gone. And you don't want to hear about it. The fact still remain. Me they ask you a question over and over and you can't answer me. Why you have to wait until somebody dead before you can put out one little money to support? Well, to me, if me wrong, Father God forgive me, but to me, kill me dead right as so now. Me feel so now pray for people dead and you can't wait to see them come off of God earth so you spend any amount of money upon the dead. Why you don't give we when time will alive? You now wait till people dead. You know what? Me don't care. Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. Right now, me sorry say me don't have the same last name. Me have to go do one. What? Me a go down on RGD. Me a go change my name. Me and none of nothing. Me and none related. Right now, stranger. What? Me ignorant for the whole of and don't go for you alone. Me don't care what you want to say. Me a go down on RGD office as staff. And me go ask them how much money to change my surname because me no want tell no stranger say me and related. Because the amount of money we no have and some of we no have none in the family. I know that dead if you no help when we are alive. It's like you no can't wait for one next family dead for you no spend how much money. And who know? You see why me have to put strangers in front of family? Because I hear them out. Yeah, me love chat. I brush my teeth every day and my mouth don't stink. Me free for talk and me not give you no more time for talk. Me have all right for talk and me call you for talk to you now my credit you know. Sense call yeah man. Call somebody turn where you're there foreign and call somebody out here in Jamaica and send them to me for the rest of the money because I don't even want it because all I want to bad mind and corrupt. I not even want to do with the money. Yeah. Call somebody. Me don't care. Call somebody and send them for the money. Same like how me can stay at Jamaica and call you over there, you can stay over there and call somebody out here and tell them say me say fi come for the rest of money. What you mean which money? The money we want to send towards funeral. Yeah. Me tell you already you like you're deaf. Me say me never use the whole light, me use half and me have the other half. And me don't want it. If me you see all know? You see, uno set a family we call uno self family and they can chat about blood thicker and water. Uno too wicked and lie. Sometimes in a real life right now, water thicker than blood because our family help me and my rest of family them out here. Uno have it and act like uno don't have it. As uno yes, somebody they don't find it. Which party when put on? Someone should have thief. Uno too wicked. A matter of fact, already me ready. Figure funeral. I'm in number that go. Me not go no. Look here. See your dirty cousin a pass. And your cousin, me know him. And my cousin too, but me not want none of no again. You know, hear the bike in the background? Yes. Your cousin just a pass for one bike. You can't send him. Me don't care. Me don't care what you want to say. Uno too ungrateful and wicked. When you know the day of Jamaica, they suffer on the pound of your ball and they walk on your lash. And we have to grow and wash people dirty clothes and sweep up people dirty yard for the whole of we can get somebody for them. But you see, you don't remember where I come from, and you always a two stone behind, you know. You catch a fire now, so you hype. Big up on yourself because you go on, like I say, only you alone can go on plane. All dog go on plane now, as long as you have visa or passport. Because you don't figure no foreign country when you have no visa neither. Other country there where we can go without visa or with visa, you know, we live history. You know, we not pray no bad fool. No? I wish you know all the best. I go reach my goal in a real life and I pray the whole of you live to see me and the rest of family them Success we say, prosperity forever. Yeah, we should all know best. You're not going to see me call back your phone again, girl. Never. And you know what? Block me from your phone.
You see people like you. You see people like you. You're a wicked woman. Imagine they send their money to make my sister funeral do it right way. And keep for you lay down your so. I know their funeral. I look in the crowd and I say me no see you, you know. And I tell them if you send me money and they no send me and you they send, you know. And you no do nothing, you no give nobody no money. What make you stay so? What make you stay
Oh,
so?
you just badge in at my place like a yours.
What you mean? So we no family, we no free to come here?
Yeah, oi, remember say me your cousin. We know that you is not my man. You just
Half
come
of
to
me
my
you
door.
can't do.
You just
No
come
say
to
so,
my
man.
door so and in your shoes at my place. You come in your shoes, you not clean out and not buy nothing. If you clean out, you not do nothing to me. The whole of you are wicked. All of you are wicked. All of you are my family are wicked. Don't you tell if I know who no see one sit down
You
and
mad?
kill off your one sister.
You mad? No
Kill
say
me
so,
one
man.
little cousin.
You know say America do it already. You come like you don't remember. And deal with my sister tragic. You don't realize. Stop play stupid man. Come back. Yo, me just beg in you.
That are the news where I go around. Oh, Marika kill off my cousin. But my mind tell me say who no plan and don't own a family so.
You're wicked. You should have done a funeral because remember say you and her close. And you always there around her. So I don't understand how you did it now.
And where you come for money? You come up here and chat about come a funeral and you know say who kill, who from who no kill.
I drop down up there, you know.
You should have dead to God forgive me and pardon me. Well, I'm a wicked man. I have nothing to do with the
woman. Let me ask you one question. The money you they send you, what you do with it?
The money you come for, okay.
I don't come about no money, but I ask you because they send it for you do funeral business and you don't do no. What you do with it?
So you come for money? To bury my own family?
No, keep your money.
Keep it,
no because I'm not hungry.
You not get no money from me, that me say.
If the people like you, you're not going to have a bad ending. Just big up yourself. Me and a family, if I say go. That me I tell you. Time and God here.
Come out of my place. Don't come back to me yard. Me I don't know nothing. Me did this bad the whole of from a long time before I'm born.
Come to you, why you doing so?
What you mean I'm to me? Right now my head hot, you know. My head hot.
Calm
And it
down.
can't cool. Calm down what? What you say?
I talk to you. Me did the funeral to you know, and every time I try to talk to you, you walk away. Why you ignorant?
Because my head hotter that me I try to tell you. Right now, you know, she get money for deal with the funeral business and she not deal with it. Eh?
I understand.
Dirty keys here.
You are going to listen to me?
Talk.
So you don't love me no more?
So hold on. When ain't left?
So what that have to say?
Remember, say you have sex with Kedrick, you know.
You're going to make everybody hear. That was a mistake. I'm going to tell you that before.
That the mistake they can't rub out. How it happen?
Remember, say me junk. Me did junk. And when I wake up, I swear think of you. Has the belly big like yours, warm to you?
A style me. A style me now.
I just talk the facts. See, you're going to make all of this. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. This is not a forgot so, right? You're going to make me fix things?
Alright. We fix things.
But you need to calm down, though. See, you're going to go up and buy hungry. A good thing I'm walking because I say, where you going? A good thing I'm follow back again.
Because a Keith here.
Keith,
he not even come a funeral, you know. He not even come a funeral.
But you can't make she get to your head. You don't know the type of woman she be already, so I don't know why you make she dry you out.
They don't know about me, he won't tell me, say, I go to me and Alan Live, my sister.
But she knows, say, America, why she would have said that?
So now that me I try to show you, she has said things to burn me.
I don't understand. You know she stay already, you know she stay already, so I don't want this get to your head, right? Just calm down.
Alright, so where you go now?
I don't know, I just come see if you where you turn, because you
speed off with that. I don't know, like, are you me come find say anything you up to me up to.
Alright, come on. Yeah, you're sure you're not disappointing?
No, be me not disappoint you. Just let the bygones be bygones now. Just come on.
What do you say? Hello? Marika? I'm a niece. How am to her? Eh? Where stay? She come out? No, man. She not come out for now. Eh? She come out on the way? Oh, so at this she there, you sure? Oh, at this she there over the scheme. What color house? Pumpkin color upstairs and downstairs. Me try repeat to yourself if staying in my brain, you know. Cause scheme of holy house. Alright. Grill gate. Alright, cool. What? One guinea tree in the yard and okay, alright, cool. Yeah man, thanks. Yeah man, thank you. I'll go down there right now. Alright. How they say no tree before time? What happened? Must run away. No man. Hold on there. Let me go put down my bag.
Oh! We understand. Miss. You live here?
What? When me live here? Look how long me and about half an hour ago. I want uno suspect when me come out. Where is Beck? Where Beck there?
Oh, I beg you come out. Okay, come here wonder if I must last away and you're mad somebody or what. I mean,
Yeah,
not
me
see
mad.
you walk in a people place. But listen to me. Beck is not here, so you can call her up on her phone. Beck gonna do some stuff down in her town, and that's it. I don't know what it
You see it from me ask you where your sister there? Where Beck dirty thief in Beck, all criminal
Come,
Beck.
stop styling sister now.
You and your
Stop
sister
styling.
all look here, una all wicked. Me don't like no tight one no. You see you're inveigle your sister to carry my niece come on uno yard, you know, without my consent. Uno no ask me no question, me no give no permission. So you're there with my niece up here, so where my niece they do up here?
So hold on, you're who to? You're who to?
You just hear say, Marie call me niece. You just hear that?
No,
or
me
you never hear. You're confused.
Me never hear.
You know why? Because you know what they do. Uno plan to carry my niece. Come on uno yard. Come live up here. And me not in it with you. Neither your dirty sister when you back.
Alright.
No want my niece to come back down, you know. Because she not stay up here so. Not because uno know the little something we go down when my niece did go in and then carry her go where it hit girls home or whatever. She come back now, so what?
Hold on, listen. Your niece, which is, I have to remember her name, Marika.
Yes,
What you
yes,
need
my
for-
niece named Marika.
Yes, you need to understand the whole story. Marika tell for me sister Beck say she no have nobody because of the
A liar
situation.
tell.
That is what she said.
Me never did
I
it, so
am
me not have to believe you.
no,
Even
but
if she say it.
believe and if you want to believe it or not, I know myself and my word is my bond.
Me not trust you, you know.
Listen,
I can't
man.
kidnap you, no kidnap me niece and carry her up here, you know.
Jesus, why would we do that, miss? Why would we do that?
Why would we do that, miss? We care police come up here.
Care police compound. We are talking about. I don't understand why you have this concept. Who tell us that we kidnap
You don't see how my niece pretty. You don't see how she look good. Why she wouldn't have no family? Why she not have nowhere? I who tell you that even if she says so, well, I joke she did that make more and my niece come back down on me.
All right, listen to me. I said you have our number.
Me don't have no number.
So that is a problem. You have to. All right, I think one number written down for you. You have to find her because me whole day today. Me don't know where going. She just disappear. So me I said to myself, say, why would she disappear? You understand? And so she never come to you
What you tell me? Say she did there, yeah, and she disappeared from your son.
This morning, when I see her from morning, that's
Hold on there.
Mm.
So, for your long, my niece they have phone in yard.
1 week.
And all of a
1
sudden,
week.
enough day them there.
Yeah, 1 week. But it make it sound like say, right now you are telling me say you want her to come home with you.
She
I am so happy.
even up here for 1 day. A whole heap of day that make 1 week. Me don't care how much.
All me I say to you, miss, is that I don't know the relationship I want to have because she says she not nobody. And the reason why she says she not nobody because the whole circumstances what happened between her. So I am asking you, could you come out and find
me
your
come out away,
niece?
you idiot. Listen to me, little dirty boy. Let me
Yeah,
tell you
no
something.
style,
You
no
go
more,
tell your little dirty thief in back sister say.
So what?
Me say, this one yeah, where you sit on up right here, so is Marika auntie and any how me come back up here so for my niece and she not there because I plan you ready to plan up now you know take up for your sister, you know. All of a sudden, my niece not there here. She gone.
Yeah, but she not there from man.
Maybe she have a phone and you don't have her number, you don't want to give me because you don't want me know which part she there.
Miss, all me I tell you that say, please understand, say. Yeah, do me a favor now to get Marika out of my house. Come in and we the one she there in the first place. That if you know. So we the on the same side. So I will help you get her. Give me a number and if when she do call back, I will organize and make sure she get her. So give me a number, miss. Simple as that. Give me a number.
0
Mm.
0.
No number no go so. Unless you done just like
A Clara phone me have you can't tell me nothing.
Alright, 0.
Give your number them.
Mm-hmm.
0 0
Mm-hmm.
0
so madness. Alright, 0.
1
Mm-hmm.
3
Mm-hmm.
119.
1. A rubbish business you give me. Miss, come out to my place. Whenever you find your niece, just organize yourself and think. When me see her, make sure you know say you look for her. What your name? What your name? That's the first thing. Hello, what your name?
Me if
Miss?
you tell you my name, if you go up my name.
Why me go up your name, miss?
You?
Something wrong with you, you know. That's why sometimes you wonder how some things happen and reach some family. And because of the mentality.
A key is my name, our.
Alright, a key is your name. Alright, boss. Me make sure say when she
I mean
do
just
come.
give me number you come like I say I work at Digital or Floor or Clara or whatever.
Yes, me have it.
You go tell me say enough for me number.
000.
0
Mm-hmm.
1
1.
1
You say 1 3.
1 1.
You say 1 3 1 1 9. Yes, me have it. 0 0 0.
The last part is 119. Not
Yes,
to me.
I have it. All right. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming here. When she forward, me will tell her say you never you went there. Kisi, all right? Yes,
My
ma'am.
name Keisia. My name Kisa. And if you call me name one different way from how if you pronounce it, I'm going to like when me I go do up here. Because you see, you me come back up here, so, and my niece not there.
Alright,
You
alright.
and Beck, now go like him.
All right. Have a good day,
She
ma'am.
want name Beck or Becky or Beckford, a fair business.
Alright, big up.
Me go and know, so me call police for the whole of up here, dead fi hungry. Me no like none out of the whole of and that you no want to do. Carry me niece up here, fi come broke her, fi go thief, because fi your name big and stink around, like dirty boy.
Who name big and stink? You know my name?
Me know your
You
name.
know my name?
You a criminal,
Step out
like
of
you
the
a
place.
Beck brother, you dirty rasta boy, we live up here, so
Yeah,
direct, no live, no a criminal.
Alright, yeah, man,
No
big up
one can
yourself.
thief people things. A thief, everything where you have on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go like
man.
I say a lie, me
Yeah,
I tell
man.
all criminal. Let me catch me niece up here, I know we
Yeah.
see.
Make
Make
me
me
see.
see. I bet me hope I want up here.
Miss, me know say them kind of lifestyle I have. You understand? Them kind of lifestyle now. Psalms 100. Just think me afraid that one. If you now me have it too.
Jimmy a slip up, you know. Jimmy a slip up. Yo, me I tell you. Shit. Yo, Jimmy. No, sir. Not give me that tone there, yo. You know exactly what me I call your boy, brother. What you mean, brother? You know who me just come off for the call with? You would have never guessed. The same person me pay you for knock out, brother. Brother, what kind of foolishness this? Charging me pay you my money and me tell you one time and one date when me want you to do the thing, brother. Are you really let me down, Jimmy? Come on, Jimmy, come on. What you mean by him escape? Me not understand. So it's a problem you want to put me in a few people go hear a road say, oh, me put it on the head? Hmm? Brother, so if you're not going to do it, then give me back my money and forget about me and me forget about you then charge you, because if me ever give my money for do something, you not do it and just done with it. So because him get to that the time, you not try none talk for say you go off him again. If me could have do it myself, me do it myself. So what kind of argument that you say you pay money, that no mean say me can't wait? The point is, me pay my money, so me I expect you to come on my phone and say, yo, you know, so me do the mission for you and you not have to worry. My friend this morning, me see my call, I say my friend, me think all of you are call me on him phone. When me answer, me realize you him. Jimmy, you slack up, Jimmy. Come on, man. You hear what me I say? Because I don't explain the situation to you. I tell you, say, I love you make me this. Because if me can't get him, who else can get him? Nobody can get him. So, listen. You can't say a fool and me want to say, so what make me numbers make him leave. No, I don't want that. If me can't have him, then nobody else will. He might go gas. He need to go 6 feet underground. And if you can't do that, Jimmy, please bring back money. Me don't care what you want to say. Just bring back my money. Me will find elsewhere to go, or me find one way to do it myself. You're not credible. Yeah, brother, I want about my money charge. To them want about money. To them want about money. Me not waiting with the brother. So let me get money today. By 12 o'clock, I want my money. You see? Alright. Go and big up yourself, because I can't believe I see you let me down, brother. Foolish this.
Need to talk to you. Need to have a serious talk with you. Where's Beck, as a matter of fact?
Oh, Beck, me and Beck they go down in a town because me they kind of feel bored in a house. Me and her down there have fun or something until she get one phone call. So she tell me if I go on home. So me come home. So she said when she come back, me and her we talk.
Okay, alright. Come here, try to call her phone and get another. But this is the thing, right? Why you lie to me and tell me say you know nobody if come pick you up and then something there?
But me not nobody for true.
So who name Kisa? Who named Kisa? How Kisa come here and find me?
Kisa, come here.
Yes, Kisa is your auntie. You don't know about your auntie Kisa.
Oh, my auntie Kisa. She come here today?
Miss Tota, when I said earlier, miss, Kisa came here and said, we kidnap you basically, you know. And they say have we know, you know. She said we kidnap you and she didn't understand how is it that you not come back. Like she wanted to come pick you up. So I want to know why you do that to me.
Me not do nothing to me. It's just that me just not like for them type of company because them treat me like me a criminal.
But you're a criminal. You kill somebody. I'm not gonna say that strong word, but yeah, you unalive somebody.
I never for purpose. It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake? What is a mistake is when something fall on somebody's head. When you mash a buckle and instill injury is totally different. Cause how me hear it, at that me I hear. I mean no, so me not cause 2 times me a big talk about the situation. But I'm saying, you know, like them company, fine. But you need to link them up and call them and talk to them. She leave a number for your call.
Me no want to call her.
Why you don't want to call her?
Because me not ready to face them as yet.
You're not ready to face them? What you mean face them? Are your people them? But you lie to we make we feel alright, so how you think they go take that story now?
But me not lie to no. Me tell them say my people they don't want me around because I want happen.
Yeah,
but me never know say my auntie I come my place come look for me. Remember say she never come there come look for me none at all, you know.
But somebody have to come pick you up. The person will sign you in have to come pick you up. So then call the person, if he come pick you up, them come to the place and not see you. I don't know how you plan to do this thing, but I think the best thing you need to do is to go up a Kisa, spend some time, rekindle. If they want to see you, it's the best thing for you as a person.
But me feel like I run around.
Me not run it, but me I say best thing if you do is for family is everything. So you think me go tell you say don't link up with the family? No, because I want. Beck must understand. And Beck we know say boy, you know, since you have people who want you around then, link up with them.
Remember, you never want me to say in the first place.
And so I'm not saying I never want you, I don't know you. And which part the school, the institution will have one of this stuff because of people who do stuff. So it's not like say I know what your intentions are. People can change, but are you a changed person since you left that place, miss?
Of course.
Change in which way?
You know,
the first thing you tell us was that you never nobody to come pick you up. First thing you tell us, so how she a come to pick you up and I come on me yard and cuss me when you know what tell you say them not care about you and them something there. I don't believe that.
Oh me if you know say them care about me, remember nobody never come there to come look for me.
All I'm saying.
So me if you know say somebody go come and pick me up. Me never know all of that.
All I'm gonna say to you is that go on up at the place. Just take your time, put yourself together, go spend some time with her and see what I want. That's the best thing I can say to you, right? I can't ask nothing else. What's a brother to my sister is me have to tell her the truth. And a sister to her brother is she have to tell me the truth. So just go and get your stuff to man, take your time, go over there.
Oh, so you run me.
Me not running me, I tell you
so when you tell me, why you not ask me if I want to go?
Me know you don't want to go, but you have to go because them come for you.
I have to go because I want me out of your house.
No,
just so that.
No, listen. If your auntie said to me, say, we are kidnap you, me no want for that charge be on this household. So me I said to you, say, go up there, go clarify what going on with your auntie.
Then give me a number, me call her.
Go on up on your auntie and clarify everything, and then you come back. If I saw you want to hear it, go on up there. As in right now.
Right now.
As in take your stuff them and go up your auntie. As in get up.
But more.
As in no. Spend some time with people them. And me I get attitude. No give me an attitude. You know what me I call back, you know. I will call back later and talk to her about it.
don't understand. Who am I not get break? Me not get tired. Feel like I'm better run me out, you know. Alright, then we go.
You couldn't call and tell me say you come.
What? Where you come over people in place for?
What you mean? You're my niece and I love you. And I don't want nothing to do you and a long time I don't see you. So I want to make sure see you alright. That's why I come for you.
What? I know you just remember me.
Me
Look how long me over there, you never come look for me not one time. And when me fi come out, you come look for me. I'm your niece.
You know, say me, I tell you the truth if I love. Let me tell you the truth. You see place where they carry you go? I don't know where. I go down a family court and I ask all the people that work down there. You see? The probation officer, because they say me fi go to the probation officer, because the probation officer responds for the children them, and at them know which part then they are, which girls home, and then some tell me say you're there in Trelawny, some say you're there in Mobile, me go all about, me don't know which one of them. Look how much children home there in Jamaica where they have kids.
So you find me when night time for me come out?
I hear say you come out and you're there somebody yard. Me not even did know their name. And people tell me. I first me I come and people tell me say you live with some girl down so.
First and foremost, and a girl. I'm a friend. You understand? So you can't disrespect her like that.
Okay, fine. Your friend.
By the way, what you say I go on? Can you see me come back now, you know? So what happened? What?
I want if you come back, come live. Yaso, your yard, yaso you grow up.
Why you want me come back and live yaso?
Because me no want you to get in no trouble. And the dirty girl when me hear say they keep friend with, me say some bad girl for a long time.
And you still a class my friend as dirty girl. What kind of style are they fan?
You don't know when time people love you, that is it.
Me don't know if you love me, you know. Me don't know. Because when the incident happened, everybody turned them back on me.
So you feel say me turn your back on you?
Of course I did turn your back on me.
And I couldn't find you.
When the police then come for me, well I'm not on one side. None of these say a mistake or whatsoever.
Me not even know say police did gone with you then time. You know say me did in a coma. Me panic. Me not even realize that police gone with you. Me think you see it? When people in a coma they don't know nothing. And when me come back and revive up, me hear say they're gone, I wish we part. So what me could have do about it? Nothing. Even if nothing they do, me couldn't do nothing. Because if you do something wrong, police are going to hold on for you. You're going to get charged for it. And you're going to do time for it. Once you don't have the fine to pay, you're going to do the time.
I don't talk now.
I hope you're not about to do something there again.
Do what?
Get yourself in a no more problem.
You know, say my sister did that provoke me. You did answer that for yourself. As she did that call me all type of name and something. Make me get ignorant and do that to her. Me never want to do my sister nothing.
Anyway, see that room the way around there, so? I did your room. Me not make nobody sleep in there. You can go back in there. You can carry in something them if you want. But no go back down and that dirty girl there. You hear me?
And that I think me not like with your man. Why you always discriminate people? That not nice, you know?
I'm one niece me I talk about, you know. Are you me I pick up for him?
And that the girl that have my back when me there, found that the place there, you know, when me, hello, me never see no family or no other friend, you know. She alone me see, you know. And she alone pick me up car yard, you know. Nobody else no pick me up car me at their yard, so me can't play ungrateful, you know.
What's your problem? Go on in my room. Go on. I come back for stay or what?
Come back in our room. Can I carry?
Come like a force to stay. So me go carry your bag for you. Me always do any little thing for you for a long time. So this I don't know.
And this me feel fine now. This moment.
Hello. That's why me you couldn't agree. You love take things and don't ask for it. You don't even know if I'm mine.
But it in their house, once it in their house, I have to fear it.
It don't have to be mine. People come here and give me things to put on all the while. I'm mine, you know. But me just show you say I could have somebody else because all the while people come beg me to put on things.
Listen. Me not unite with you, you know. You say I want me come back home and me come back home. Now you contact me from eat when me want eat. Let me tell you something. I say me there for my friend yard, me eat anything me want eat and nobody no stop me, you know. So if I this me come back here so far, tell me when me go on. Talk to me now.
You see the ignorance you in you? You have a problem, near me. Near the whole light.
As a matter of fact, me not go turn up in there, you know. And make you go on like say you want to take control of me, not because you're my auntie, you know.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do with that?
Let me what me I gonna do. Huh?
Eh? What that looks like? What? Me not understand. What man? You're supposed to open your people them.
Yeah, but who you say come here to you? Who you say come here to you?
What do you mean who must come here to me? Your auntie come here. What are you talking about?
What's your name?
She name Kisa.
No, sir. I know some my auntie name.
So what your auntie name?
My auntie name Kisia. Kisia.
So what?
Yeah.
What's the difference with the ear?
A Kisa that them I don't know that the Kisa there.
So you're telling me that you know So when you go up here, what happened?
When we go out there, me ask when we go out yard, the people then said to me say my auntie moved from there so all long now. From the incident happened she moved.
So you mean if you tell me say you go up here and you see nobody?
Nobody know up there.
I don't understand what is happening, but what you need to do now is because this sounds strange. Your auntie came here and she basically wanna tell me say
Let me tell you something. You see over a place a tree marker did over there, you know?
Me don't know about that.
A tree marker did over there, so probably them a mix with up or something.
Tree marker?
Yeah.
Marker is not a common name. I don't believe. Listen to me. Me thinking if I don't know what to say, man. You're from back from the evening?
No, me not hear from Beck. Me did a try call Beck, but me not get Beck.
So what you basically going to do? You plan to stay here then?
Yeah. Well, me not know if you go, me not know family.
I don't understand. I'm still confused. You tell me say Beck. You can't hear from Beck. Then you go up to your place and hear key see as your name and I feel why me not believe you?
What you mean you not believe me?
Why me not believe you? That's what I say a while ago.
You not have to believe me. But I truth me I tell you.
Alright, go relax yourself. Come I have to get you to Becky and you know what I'm going.
Alright.
So we can't walk like you're crowd.
No, it's not nothing. Beck?
Martha,
Yeah.
wait, why you call me so much time?
I find myself in some problem.
What kind of, hey, let me tell you something. I'm not supposed to answer the call, you know, because right now is a mission me depend. I'm not supposed to take no call. What kind of problem in America?
Me can't talk to you on the phone, me have to see you in person. When you come home, when?
Marika, me nah come home until tomorrow.
Jesus
Because when me
Christ.
there, me can't move off my spot. Marika?
I want to talk to you.
Marika, what is it? Yeah, hold up, Marika.
Me can't talk on the phone. Me can't talk on the phone right now. Me have to see you in person to tell her this.
God.
Beck,
Yeah.
you trust me? Eh?
Marika. Yes, Marika.
You love me?
Yes, Marika, why all of these questions?
Me have to ask someone once you trust me. You trust me for true?
Yes, Marika, me trust you, I love you.
I want to know so me have your back, no matter what.
Marika,
Eh?
anything we are going with you, stay inside and don't go buy no ice cream, because I love ice cream. Don't go buy no ice cream. What do you think?
Me not go buy no ice cream.
Alright, stay in and keep safe until we return. What brother day?
In the night room.
So you know what one?
Kinda.
Alright, as what me say, me on a mission. And it's here right now, so we can't come home to you right now until tomorrow. Understand? Just keep safe. And just know some love you and me got your back. You understand?
Yeah. Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, who that man? Hello. Lord have mercy. I want you.
I plan your plan.
What do you mean me plan? What are you talking about?
So you and Beck and Marika plan.
Plan to do what?
She analyze me. Marika come down and me think say my niece come. My niece when me take care of her so long. In my real life me take care of her. And me after me take care of her so much. You no really send just because me come up here to know about my niece.
Miss!
And you can't come down they come attack me. You send me niece to come attack me. Little more girl analyze me, you know. If you see how she tab off for me, so you know, I cheat in your side, I go in and black me with me hand, you know.
No. So, she no, but she there now, you know.
Who there?
Fear, so. No. But you say you're not her niece, I don't understand what I want. No, man, it's a mix up.
Look here.
Eh?
Me say God save me hand. Yes, me could not move it. Me can't move it. But
hold
it did bleed too much.
Come here. Are this a girl? You know her?
So.
Open your face, man.
Do your act and run come back up yourself when me no want you for there. So I true you want to get rid of me and steer people yard.
Are you stubborn?
And that's why you do this to me. Marika, me and your auntie, me can't believe. And me this, you know, we always take care of you from your little, you know. Marika, really me you do this? Seriously, just to steer people yard cause me you know have nothing, me no do nothing. So Marika, all we did I go through in a real life. And me did it feel. And this it turn out to. This is the thanks. Okay. You see, since you want to stay at people yard and you feel comfortable staying at people yard like you don't have nobody and you don't have nowhere to stay up here. I'm going to give you a warning before me leave. Guess what? I not abandon you. You're still my niece. But guess what? You see karma? Karma is our what? Big karma is our, you know. It will turn around back. But anytime anything happen to you, do not call my phone. Just leave me alone. No have nothing to do with me. Because if you did unalive me today, when you put yourself in a trouble, who you call? Just call the same person there as long as I know me. You understand me? Me think I did good me I do to you. If you come for you and make you feel comfortable at your home.
So why I know you feel like if you come for me? Look how long me there place. I never come for me one time. And when me come out here, come look for me. You know must expect me to tell people say me not have family.
Marika, you is a wicked little girl. You're very wicked. And guess what? You know, say even though you make that stab there off of me and God saved me life and make it catch for me hand, you don't even know what me will do with you in here. You hear what me I tell you? Marika, just because me your auntie make me no want do you nothing. You hear coming no want police lock me up. You hear me I tell you? Me no want police lock me up. And me love you seeing me as my niece, but God no girl. You see if you see me on the right, don't touch me.
Let go of my clothes.
Don't touch me.
Then let me go you want to put my clothes right so you buy
and me grow you. And me take care of you.
So
if me want hold on pan this me buy this and me no care if I bet clothes you have on or in dirty brother. You hear me I tell you?
Let go of my clothes.
You know say me could have report you at police station.
Why?
You don't understand what you do, you know. Me could have report you, you know. Marika, all when you are my niece, me could have report you because you non think say me and your auntie, you shouldn't do that to me.
Let go of my clothes. Let go of family.
Look like you do things in a real life and you don't take it serious. Me feel like off your clothes.
Yeah, let me go.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the done cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach you, will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you bullet run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can't be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your girl, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah,
Bro, that's what me saying. Right now, a badness me a pray for my sister thing in the youth. Cause from my sister drop out till she all bury and something right now. Me no get a positive answer about my sister thing in the youth. And me a tell her, you know, in a gossa in the youth. Believe me, I tell her in a gossa, you know. A problem a go happen me a say, you know. You get what me I say? Problem a go happen me a say. You know man feel you would feel as a sister. Eh?
Cause
Yo, you me say, me give back a link you. Come and tell us if you pull two strings for me youth and it come like say not even lala, do it thing you. A normal pray still man. Here, if you don't do it, me we do it. Big up yourself. Cause you're depend.
why pray?
Cause right now, there man is a different meds me depend right now, you know, cause different meds me depend right now, you know. Me did it, yo.
Yo, watch out my father. You are going on now. I'm gonna be honest with you. A matter of fact, I forward from yesterday. But I just feel like I just need to give some space, some time for you see all of the bad energy where I run to your head. I just want to give it some space. A matter of fact, first thing I just want to tell you say yo, as a bigger cousin, I just want to apologize. So I not get to come at the funeral, bro. Like my work, yo, I told them send me, bro. And I really I tell the boss I want forward. You see me? But my work depend. Yo, it's like me up on the line when I couldn't do some work. If me forward at the funeral, lose my work.
Cause
So that's the situation.
you see your work, you understand everything. You know come like a dirty key here. So I understand your work cause you good. But you see right now, a badness me a pray. Badness. And you see like how me left in a sadness, I suffer some people family are left in a sadness. Cause look for me good. You see smile on my face?
You me say no cause me I go play a role here as it. I don't know if you never know about RM and circuit. So this a matter you left out the RM and the circuit. So me just gotta be honest with you. You see everything what you feel, me understand. You see, if you say you want to go do badness and you want to hurt somebody to get revenge, me can't tell you no, and me can't tell you yes. Because by any idea, you can't depend upon the police or the system for revenge. But you want to know, by any idea, still a wrong road you are going. Still a wrong road, you know, because if you go down a road, then you end up like your sister. And if you end up like your sister, bro, you go down one place where cage in. Anytime you want to ride the bike, you have to put up your hand and call the police. And when I play them, you know I talk to them, man, them have to come give you a link. They have to turn up on your toe like so. I hold that. So I just tell you, bro, me just tell you as a bigger cousin, bro, think before you do action. Because still now I'm going to bring him back, bro.
Get what you're saying.
And watch out now, no? You see you, from you grew up, me know, say you see anything you make up your mind to do, you're going to do it regardless. If
glad you know. I'm glad I know. So right now, all you talk, you just go through one ear and come back through the other one. Me not hear nothing what you say right now in front of me. You talk to me, I'm not even hear what you say good. I just that me I try to tell you. My mind don't make up this already.
You see by any idea, me want to know, say if you see it on the news, say you get locked up or you go in a prison, or me see it on the news, say yo XYZ, me want to know, say me try to tell you, say yo, don't go down a road there. Brother, listen what me I say now, bro. Me a big man, you know. You're a big man and you soon reach a higher level, but one thing I can tell you, bro, when me young like you, nobody couldn't tell me nothing, you know. That's why I understand where you come off right now, you know. But you see, me grew up now and understand. I realize, you see, a man upstairs, he work, you know. But sometimes he work too slow for it. But through it time and film time and the right time. So I just tell you, bro, I just tell you, say, don't go down the road, because everybody go down the road, they come back, you know. And everybody go behind bar forward back, you know. People mad out, you know, my friend. So, bro, I can't say I didn't try. But different from that, I just going to show you my respect. As I say, I apologize for no say, oh, yo, watch out, man.
Normal pray, man. Respect the word of advice.
Go and hold my friend, man.
Big up yourself, cuz, man. Me there, man. There, just keep a link, cuz. Me there, man.
And one more thing, bro. Don't say me say. You see anything where you pray where I can't talk to you about, better you, the upstairs, and them some prison food, man, them. You see me?
Alright, cuz. Respect, man. Keisha, here we go on. Just come give me a link round my head. May I need to have a conversation.
Give me the good herbs to calm my brain. Strictly sense to me that runs through my vein. Never hear it cause no one no pain. Tell me how who start this mix up game. Or who shake the jar? Tell me now who shake the jar? Who shake the jar? Tell me who. Them extracting the seaweed, selling it worldwide for a handsome fee. Then I tell me say it illegal for me. Thank you, Jah, you give me eyes to see. It is a gift from the Most High. I will be smoking till the day I die. Naturally is the way for me, living in the West Side. Give me the good herbs to calm my brain. Strictly sense to me that runs through my veins.
Yeah, really got no
Don't call me Keisha. Me tell you to stop and spoil up my name. You know my name. Me and cousin for a long time from birth. What is the problem?
Here we go on now. What me really call you over here for now. Basically, for my bigger cousin, just come give me a check a while ago. And I tell you, say, if he check when he come give me, he check me upon the right time. Case it's some things that me da meds, dark meds, me da meds. And he come and he talk to me in right way. And I tell you, say, he give me a right solution. And I go do what he tell me, say, do.
What is
I
that
go work
solution?
with it. No, me da go do some crazy things and he just tell me, say, yo, for just low off of that. So, me just a call you right now to make you know, say, a peace me a pray. So a peace me a say a pray and stop with the bad vibes. That me a talk about. And a church today, so I understand you're clapping.
A long time they tell us that this stuff you do. And this go on for a long time. What is the problem? Or maybe you just a chat so now, so you want to hear what me I go say. But if you not bring peace, war I go take you.
So me a say no
Yeah.
cause.
Me not even that say at the man prison they now put you. They want put you in a woman prison in a Miglai sea. So when you try to run, when you swim out in the ocean is sharp, then they know if you do with you.
Cause you see what me a talk about. Me
And
call
don't
you
tell
for
them to
bring
me you're
peace.
related. No, me know you stay. You lie so till. The amount of lie them when you tell already. It's more than what John read about in the Bible.
Cause
Make
me
sure
talk
say,
about peace.
me say,
And
make
you
sure
talk things like you want
yes,
disrespect me.
disrespect
Calm down.
and the way you stay. So me can't believe say you have said peace right now. Uncle hope so. I hope so for you say it's peace. You mean because you see that mind the way you have, me know about it. You see your brain when you have, me know about it. You see the ignorance way in you and the temper you have. Remember saying your family, you know, me know about it because a little bit of it in me. But you have it more than me. Me know about it. Only hope you bring peace as you say. So you see all that the money there, that the money there. Me don't use up that the money there. So you know no money forget. None of unu in the generation. Me nah give not even 1 dime cent. A matter of fact, not even 1 red cent me nah give no. Me don't use it, I do one business already.
You are going on now, cause we don't want to back all over this about money, cause we don't talk about that. Yeah, more I do now. Give me American number.
Who? Me?
Yeah, more American number. I
Hello.
talk to her as well.
You see, listen me. I best of me right now.
Best of you.
I did best of me. I good part of me I see now. Me now want good mood and me feel little better you know. If you ever know what happened few days ago, when Marika do.
What happened?
Come on me yard.
What happened?
And because the girl go up on my fridge top and take down my pancake.
What happened, my cousin?
The girl I hit me they tell you. And because me said to her, say, why you always do that? You always see things and take it and don't ask for it. Who tell me if you go see so? Jesus Christ, a problem casting at the house.
So what go on?
This girl start cussing and go on with herself. You know what? Me can't bother that gone already. Me can't bother to go through that right now. Me can't bother to go through that. Me just can't bother with it right now. I don't want to go talk about them they sick me again. Come hot up by my brain. Me can't bother.
So you let me get the number.
Eh?
The number.
You did say you want her number?
Yeah, I want to talk to her.
Alright, me I'll text up on WhatsApp.
Alright, do that. And
Yeah.
respect again.
Anyway, me I can't go for me yard now. So later, yeah?
Alright, cuz. Hold on. Anyways, you did tell Marika that she adopted.
Eh?
You say if you did tell Marika that she adopted.
Where you get that from?
What do you mean I get that from?
You see how you a little bit enough? You get too plenty right now.
Then the grandmother and always talk things and make people hear. So what you mean I get that
chat
from?
too much. How much somebody you chat that out your stupid mouth and make them hear? How much somebody you make hear that way?
Cause just come see. Me just ask her if you didn't make she know.
Hello, you try your best. Try your very best. Not utter that out of your mouth again because she don't know about it. She don't know say adapt we adapt her. She don't have no family. She a orphan. We take her from the children home. Right, you don't know girls home? Where them put picnic we don't have no mother and no father. Well, she not no mother and no father. Then pass off in a one accident. So kids like that, we don't have no mother and father. People always go foster them. So they are foster mother and foster father. So me are foster auntie. But she don't know. You are foster cousin. We are no biological family like blood.
So hold on then. You collect the money as it?
Eh?
You collect the money as it?
Wow, Marika money where they figure it?
Yes.
The girl not even reached 21 yet. How we fi collect this? Hold on. How we they do? Think about the money where government no give we yet?
No man, that's so man.
So at that make you ask if you Marika number?
No, cause I different certain man.
Ever that make you ask for the number and me go man think all 2 minutes time in my head and me see you. In my head. And me the vision say if you want. Me number that send the number come give you.
Cause a peace me a pray. Now that me done tell you already, so I talk to Marika at peace, man. Just do it right now, cause
the money you want is a little rest of
cause me say that me want a peace, me a pray. Just calm down, man. Calm down. Peace. 2025 and New Year. Peace.
So you're not rest of it?
None of that what you talk about.
You sound like one. You, me not trust you. Me I got think, a matter of fact, me number that send the number tonight, you know, me have to think about this first before me give you that the number, then it's sorry. Because you look like I say I want to mix up, you know, in the family, you know. I ready to come make people here say this and people here say that. I want to you. The government don't send the money a post office to collect it. And you know they can't ask about it. So you have in your mind, you have a plan. You have a plan.
Cause let's do it right.
You have a plan towards Marika and the money. Not even Marika don't know about the money you. Hey, you want to worse cousin. Me kind of love you still, but me not like your dirty ways. Me come to my yard. If I ever know say this, you call me up after you say, boy, Jesus Christ, I wouldn't come no way. Right now, me left my rice, I burn up on the fire. When me go up, no pat back, I must be black like a what? Take for you. Boy, I'm tired. You couldn't go meet me?
Jesus Christ, I say yeah, come.
Right, so. Hi.
So what's up?
Jimmy. Oh, sometimes I forgot your name.
Yeah.
But I can call you Jimmy. I know say that's my favorite name to call you. Anyway, I know say Jimmy name. So I going differently, you know, so you me come check.
Let me realize. I'm glad to see you too.
You're glad to see me? Why you not come down on me yard?
I just busy, me been busy, man. I may try get in some things, you know.
You know, I love when you come down on me yard though.
No man, because when you see Jim on report time.
Oh God, me say, me have one plan for me and you go somewhere for one date. You ever hear about Lico Watchy?
Yeah. About
someone say sent to them, say me never go there yet.
So when I came
I want to go there, but guess what? You know, say.
I'm also, man.
Me want one money from you. Why cannot give me no money from you?
I told you money not come through, man. You know, say 2 days ago, me forget the money and me still there wait for the door. It soon come through, man. You know, say, mother give you early for the mine. I'm sure the mine.
Jim, where has try say? You know, get him money off you. Tell me say you did go collect it.
I get him, man. I saw a delay upon for them part because I make myself presentable for collect, but
I don't know what happening in
like
my
a
brain
setback,
right
you
now,
know?
but I just believe say a liar tell me.
Babes, I wouldn't tell you no lie.
Jimmy, you have one next woman with me?
Yes, no say so, man. No say that, man.
You know, so one night my dream see a one girl do, I know the girl, but you see true, me never want me to feel no problem. Me no bother say it to you. I dream see a kiss the girl, you know.
Jesus
And my mind tell me say you get the money and give the girl, that's why you don't have nothing to give me. But alright, if I true you dey talk, so you don't get the money.
Yeah.
Just take this in your brain right now. Me don't believe you even if I true. Because me notice since these last days from 2025 coming, you know, give me no money, you know.
Babes, I don't want you to worry up yourself, man. You see me? Things
Anyway,
are work
me
out.
a
I have
sing for
plans
tell
for you too, you know.
Me know, man, me
good
know.
plans for me, you
Me
know.
know you have enough plans to me, but guess what?
Yeah.
You see which one you did I go a little watchy?
Yeah.
Me remember say the driver call me and tell me say he ain't go bad and make it figure.
Like.
And me did want to buy lobster and some big fish here, but you know go bad work again.
Yes. I mean, I look forward to it, you know.
Yeah, but
a long time when I go out, you know. Say a
the-
new year, man.
The driver
Say I'm a current
the
car,
driver
man.
say he can't bother go because he have some other important business to start out. So me not go bother get you go.
Keys, man. Me I wonder if I true, me say the money not come true, me can't change plans, man.
No, I couldn't that. But right now, for my brain kind of malfunction right now, you know. From the other day, me go a doctor and then tell me say me lack of money and me lack of sex. And he look like I said nothing and go and fit down there so again cause unless a different girl you have with me cause I don't know what they go on, but me know say the doctor say me lack of sex and me lack of money and he give me prescription to go buy medication for lack of sex and lack of money. So I don't know what I go on for you right now, you know,
So
right now.
like be a doctor, that's some science, you know.
No, me no know a doctor. Remember say they study medical, me can't say me no lack of sex and lack of money.
Yeah, but do you what kind of prescription?
And when you tell me say
Aisle.
this
Yeah,
way doctor do. The doctor draw out my blood, say a blood test him a do, and when the result come back, at that he say me lack of money and me lack of sex, so you have to go start giving more money now.
No more sex.
And more sex of course. But if remember say if you use condom, because I don't like your style, me I go wear anyway. I go cook some tin mackerel and some rice. If you want come, you come, and if you don't want come down on my yard, just stay and put back a chair. Cause I look like you and somebody did sit down right here, so. But everything good, man. See it there? Maybe I and somebody did that drink that.
Drink this,
you make it woman get up from you must see spot me from far out there, so but everything good.
You know I say you're too
good.
miserable though.
No, me I feel miserable. I wish woman no want miserable over there man things I want to you. Jim me no like your style you out. And if me cook it tin mackerel and the rice you know come near me, that a fear business. Me go start give your bun, watch.
Alright. What's boy, where are you?
Bad boy, what go on?
There, man. Everything good.
Oh, God, my friend, man. Can be better. You know, say me there so right now, what go on? You know? Go on,
Easy there.
You say me I come get one link still, you know?
Why, may I tell you, say, there, youth. From day my bike, I give me a little problem, so.
What get problem?
Bike, so. I left it on the bike shop, you see me, so. So, I bounce back over my yard, that's it, you see me?
But, big man thing. You ain't link key, sir?
Yeah, you know, say me the gear a link though, bro. I watch you know, no. You know, say, go so when I show about, I start and I meditate and I say, hold on, you know, say it's a good thing, it's a positive vibration you show me.
What you talk about?
When you reason me as someone
Oh,
that's them negative thing, them
yeah, bro. God, man, I like
violence
say I think the right thing, bro.
Yeah, man, so same time I take up my phone, man, and I call Keisa, man. You see me?
Jaja.
And I tell her, I say, yo, a peace. For
Judge,
now,
oh,
for
God,
now,
man.
for now, a peace, me a pray for
So
now.
what she a say?
A peace, she a pray. You see me? But me just a holy peace for now.
For
my
now?
mind can be changed.
I
But me just a whole peace.
A good decision to make same, you know, my friend. I want good try same, you know. Because maybe next week or so, you can pray more peace.
Me no think saying about for now, a peace.
I'm a fucker, the right choice to make, you know, you go on with your brethren.
Which one then?
Your brethren, man.
Jeffrey.
You say, man, them hold him with gun, man.
What? A liar tell.
Bro, yo.
When?
Bro, me tell the man say the gathering no work. A 5 of them in my van, you know. One for police, one for him enemy, one for him. 5 of them and then they no save him. Boom, boom, boom. Now you're a bridging brother. So I right decision to make. Me know what you think you know, so where you pray?
Yeah, watch you know. I work with you, tell me, man. I say, man, can't believe you.
Father, although me know you're shocked and you're bridging still, regardless. You see me, him do a crime and boy him never get to do a time. You see me? So
I try to reach out to your family, man, see you all going.
But proud of that decision we make still on my father. Nah, until I'm my friend. You see me?
Respect for them.
Really proud of that. Yo, watch out my friend, man. Family and my friend.
Believe me,
you see me?
man,
Big up yourself.
you
Hear that?
later show me words of encouragement and I'm rate that, man. Respect
That's a
enough for
cool, my
that.
friend, man. Hear that?
Alright.
Big up yourself. Here.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. Focus, you know.
Alright, cool.
Yo, whatever you go through life, you know, my friend, now that make you who you are, you know. You see me? People sin for the sake of progress.
Big up yourself, cuz.
That's a code, hear that?
Alright, cuz.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the Dan, can you
Beck.
start pulling trigger?
Jim.
You have 2 minutes to wrap up where you come boat, you know.
Oh, Jimmy, oh.
Get to a point, cause you waste time, you know.
What you talk about, Jim?
You come boat. Cause somebody me here you make some talk, you know, when I run certain joke, you know, Beck.
Oh. About one night.
Of course about one night.
Alright, just left that alone, Jim. That is nothing. You see money, make that go on. I just come for know if me still in business.
You tell me.
Alright.
Hold on, stick a pin. You make a talk about sell out, you know. When you make them talk, you just change a gear in my eyesight, you know. And when you move too speedy, you have a tendency to know if you slow down, you know. So you talk to me straight, let me know where you are.
Alright, Jimmy, understand what you say. No hard feelings. Look for what day when my wipe out booby fear. Now defend you.
Which is the reason why I give you a chance to explain yourself.
Jim, me say, you see what go on one night, left that alone.
Now listen.
So may I ask you again, me still in business or not?
You sound like you're straight, you know. Now keep an eye on you. Understand? Alright, now you exceed the 2 minutes, so we'll see you again. You make somebody contact you, you know?
So you say, me in business back, Jim.
Yeah.
I'm fresher now, you know. Things is done, but I feel like at the right time,
Yeah, man.
this, so me come back up in the business. So good.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Good, man. Make sure you clear your head properly. You know. Yeah, but dog. You know, say, I see him look up, so I send you pan from where the I call you about. Beck, she look like she decided to fly straight now. No, I don't want to fully just let it go. More you keep an eye on her. So more you pause the hit for now. You could see where she really depend. You understand? Yeah, that may I say basically. Alright. Yeah, man, just make you know to man. Me keep in contact with you, man. Alright, but
You say she are the one, cause she make you come quicker.
bartender.
Yeah. But watch out now, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody. Yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody.
Jesus Christ, man, I'm glad to see
say
you.
no.
Alright, Jesus. Sis, how are you going? 2 days now on the road? And not even a call and tell me what going on?
Watch out, bro. Eh, me know say 2 days. And then I say me no want to call you, you know. But I say phone a informer. You hear me I tell you?
I tell you, man.
I mean, no want no boy and no girl come chase me call him. You get what me I say? But bro, you know I say that's what errands me I deal with on the road.
Hold on. Beck, you know what go on? I see one money jump in and jump out. That what go on?
Yeah man bro, you know say I want a little thing go on, you know. Which a job name get fi done. So your money just know what I mean already.
You know what I mean, man? But me I say to myself, I don't know whether nobody gonna trace you or you know a problem. Cause I know you think already, you know. Remember
No
say
man, no good. As me say me dey on the streets and me I try to make it for me, but you know what go on now. You're good.
I'm good man, but here what? I have nothing to talk to you about. You see for your friend where you carry the yard there? The one in America. I want if you know say our what you call her now? I don't even know. Some family for her, one name Keisa or Keisia. Come out the yard there and say America stab her. So me don't know if I true, me don't know if I lie, me don't know what I go on. And then two twos me left them at the yard because me hear one ruggo road tug. Me just say to myself, you know what? Me hear ruggo tug, somebody drop on the ground and then you know they do this open up and thing. Me come around and I see America and I see nobody. So me just say, you know what, me left it alone cause at least she might gone back up her family yard or whatever the case may be. But
So
the lie what she tell you, you know. She tell a lie and tell her say she don't have nobody to pick her up. The woman come at the yard, which is our so-called auntie, I don't know.
box cover and what on there? The girl let me tell her say me use my heart and trust
Yeah.
and carry her in a familiar place.
Me hope when you talk to her, you can actually work out something because me, as me tell you, say, me not really, a long time this me trust a girl, you know. But you now hear me, sis. You have to understand that sometimes you have to trust your brother because your brother have your back straight through. The girl, yeah, there might be some good within her, but at the end of the day, we can't make that draw we down and stop food mission and food business. Suppose I that a bad luck why you know go up on a mission and the thing not fulfill. You have to think, you know.
That true what you say.
Sis, no sir. That's something know you.
Bro, what do you?
Something know you, sis.
How do you?
Not do me, not everything.
So you smell me, I come go talk about but sister that.
Everything good, man. But as me I said, I want you forward.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you forward.
Yeah.
Alright, me I take you off by the street. I know what you think already.
Yeah.
You can't walk on like sis, you can't walk on like that with this something on your back.
Alright. What will you say? A good door?
I'm good man. Just make sure it's everything level with you.
Alright.
See?
So
And
later.
call me. See?
Later.
I will call you now.
Keep safe. Alright, later, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Yo, Jim. There, man. You know how long me slow out here wait for you to call me, brother. Alright, so what you say? You can't deal with the thing? No, man, I'm serious, brother, man. You deal with the thing, man. We you say you send one of your female brother, listen, man. I don't joke thing with the panda, man. And you more want to deal with the thing now. I don't want you to joke about the thing and say no woman go deal with the thing, brother. No, I trust your judgment, brother. I know say you're a professional. So, alright. I trust you, man. If you say I female, you make do it, no problem, man. Oh, you're not supposed to even ask about money, dog. You know, say, me have your banking info already, me just wire that straight to your account.
Alright, no problem. Here me go do. Me go wire half right, you know. And once the job complete, then we will send the rest. Alright. No problem, man. No problem. Alright.
Yo,
Um,
talk now.
me know when you feel like say me a lie to you.
Yo, listen. Me use my heart and trust you. And you see right now, me not bother trust you. You hear me I tell you? Cause guess what? After everything what we've been through, you can't tell me one bag of lies. Does that make sense?
You not even hear my side of the story. Just listen to what me have to say. You listen to me? Fine. Me know say me lie to you. Me sorry for lie to you, Beck. But remember some me there place, you know, and you alone me have, you know, nobody never come there come look for me. So me never know say my auntie did not come my place come look for me, you know. Understand what me I try to say to you? So when my auntie show up up our yard, my friend fi see her because me and them the people there when me I grew up, you know, me and them the people they never have a band, you know. They never like me. Me they feel say I throw me black. But when me realize, like when me start rubber stuff up, me realize say I know my blackness. Then just don't like me. Sister, me want you to believe me, na sister. And I like say, me did want lie to you.
Don't touch me. Girl, me trust her with my heart. And I be a foolish to say I keep up. Be a lies.
Listen, remember say me call up, you remember I did me call up on the phone and me say, sister, you love me? And you say, yes, you love me. And me ask her if you trust me, and you say, yes, you trust me. And this, me did want to tell her, you know. Me did want to tell her everything will happen. Alright, your brother even run me out of the house and send me up a lady. When me go over my auntie start load up her mouth for me and something, so me stab her.
Stab?
Yeah, me stab me auntie and run me out of her house.
Why? My sister yeah try to learn about the badness. Stab. Girl, we not do them things there. And this you have to use. And this are the badness.
Me never use them there something there before, you know.
You never use them something before?
No.
So me no can teach how to use it. Me can teach how to use it, you know. You see stabbing thing? Take you out your mentality. We not do stabbing. You understand?
Yeah, me understand. Right now, me not even know what to do because you see you trust me?
You come back with this trusting.
But me your sister, you know, so me respect you. Me look up to you as a bigger sister, you know.
Relax. Here we go on. You see there two objects there. Me only cough one and you only cough the next one.
With what?
I might take sin and give you one lick in the head with the bow with what? Watch and learn. You see that? No, you go try do it. One listen. Which one I use? What this Father God? Oh, God. Ready?
Why?
listen to me. Listen to me.
No.
You see this? Where you drop? You feel a joke? Let me take you out. You think I joked in this?
You not feel that when I said so, you not feel the vibration in your hand?
Yo.
Eh?
You see, you're not ready for your badness. I saw you go steals.
No, but I use that.
Yeah, man, I saw first time go. Yo, how was that?
Huh?
How was that?
Oh, me somebody give my phone. Give me. But I don't know the number here. Hello?
Marco,
Oh, me there. What?
yeah, someone is going to give me a link up right now. I may have a reason.
Right now?
Yeah, man, right now.
Where are they?
They're on me out.
Alright.
Yeah.
Me I come. You know, some brother just call me. But me no want to go there alone. You can follow me?
Oh. Here we go on. You can follow you now, but halfway me I follow you go.
Yeah, that good. As like, me just want to know say somebody did it with me.
Come in. Yeah, cause here one now. One go link up with the brother. You see how me and my brother close? Cause some me want your brother to close. So, you see, I end the day nobody feel like you want to come enjoy yourself and family. You hear me I tell you?
You know, so sometimes I feel like them and my blood family.
Man, stop your crap, yeah, man.
No, I truth at home, I feel for true, like, no connection, no day. But me go here with my sister last
Just go and go do your thing. There's some me I go on easy.
Alright. Which part again?
Forward, man.
Oh.
Take your time and watch how you pull the gate here. Cause something there on the way can cut you. You look so straight.
My God.
There, man.
Yeah, so now.
There. Come closer, man. I'm telling you, I'm not nothing, you know.
Never say go to me.
So you stay so far. A reason, man. Look for me, I'm clean, man. I'm not nothing, man. But I feel me hurt, I'm not hurt. Peace, me and pray, man. Call for me have a conversation. So basically what me I say now, I understand the whole fact about everything that happened with my sister. Say everything is just an accident. And I let go of a certain things and just a pray peace. But you have to just accept the fact too. Me as a bigger brother I tell you have to just accept the fact to say you're miserable. My sister is miserable as well too, you know. But fear one turn up. You get what I say?
What do you mean if you want turn up?
Like you're just miserable to the maximum. I don't know what I'm to you. But as I say, when I call you for me, I have no argument. When I call you for me, I have peace.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you know, you're my little sister. You see me? And me call Kisa and me and her talk same way. And
When I call Kisa?
around few days ago, me call her, me and her reason. What?
As I say, me have different father but same mother.
That they tell you.
So why you laugh about that?
Nah,
like
man, me just laugh, man. Just, I don't know, man. Just know say me and your brother and sister, I don't know.
Yeah, me know that, but the laugh they not right, like
Nah,
something
man,
wrong with
I
it.
just laugh about it, man. I'm to your sister, man. You get your brain twisted, man. Nobody go there, man.
No, me not.
Just keep it to the way when me tell you say a peace me call over here to talk about. So me don't want you to worry yourself. So we just dash you all of that. You understand? I know say a peace.
Well, me need a family in my life and so forth because as I can see, me not nobody.
What you mean you not nobody? Me there for you, brother there for you.
You're there for me, right? When me in a lock up, you're not even gonna look for me one time. And you say me your sister.
Sis.
I saw you deal with a sister?
No, sis, watch you know. You see them that time there? My head space it too grimy. So I relax back and I pray back certain things and me I say, yo, we are family. We are blood as what them say. So me have to just say, alright, me call and we just set things the right way.
Let me say something to you. If I did a sister were dead, if I did she kill me, right? And she gonna jail, you would go look for she. I share your favorite sister, you know.
Well, you have a point, me da go look for her. No, me not say she are no favorite,
yeah,
but
you give away yourself, you would go look for her.
Sis, that's share because me not want to go back in a certain thing.
No, me not go back in a certain things, you know. But me feel hurt for know say me have family out there.
So you not think me feel hurt to the accident to happen?
Everybody knows your accident.
All
me
right.
never mean
as
it.
Me tell you,
and me call for help, you know.
But as me tell you, we are there and we are talk about that and everybody will go back in our feelings and then that I go stir up more for how we done heated already. So we just want to know say we good.
We good, man.
I just want you to take care of yourself. And just try to stay safe and everything, right?
So everybody else.
Everybody else good, man.
Even though me and them not depend on good terms, just know say everybody alright.
You need to set thing also with them same way. Because all the way have to repeat. Why?
Let me tell you something. Me not push out in nobody, you know. You understand what I say? Me not go and like say, me want no love from nobody. If them not show me love, me not show them no love neither. You see like how you reach out to me, them could have reached out to me. You see like how Auntie Kisa come look for me, somebody else could have come look for me. You understand?
So you try to tell me say you give them tough love. You love them from afar.
Yeah. It better the way there. You understand what I say?
Yeah, what you say, sis. But me just want to all our live as one. You understand? Just want to all our live as one. But what me not understand, what you want to do for yourself? You want to have beef with everybody? Eh?
No.
So now that me I try to tell you need to fix things. You can't have beef with everybody. That's why I call you and make sure say me and you good enough.
We're good, man.
You sure?
Yeah, we're good.
And you can call me and text
yeah.
me anytime. The day I feel.
Yeah, bro.
And just try and fix things with them. You understand? We all make mistakes in our life.
So.
Alright.
Later, big of us.
Alright, sister.
I pray now, Jim.
I pray that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know badness. Like how you on time as usual now.
That is it.
The operation I call it mash up still, you know. You see me? Something I can deal with. But I say, yo, you want to match on here, you see me? You want to redemption. You see, you pray. You say ready to make some money.
Ready right now. Ready.
That me always like with you. So, I want the operation where I simple just go in and knock and come out, you know. Quick and fast, you know, simple much. But I'm going to send you the details on your bird. You know your badness already.
No, yeah, sir, man. So, how money go?
Lie. We never have money problem yet, Beck. You don't have to ask about money, man. You're doing knockings and I know say your cut line up and everything good, man.
I know we never have money problem, but you know, when it come on to money, I need big, but we need money too. But not say a word, man, my father. A simple dirt that.
That is it, man. That's some more yeah, talk. No, I worry about no money thing now.
Alright, let's say a word here.
The right thing. I get the info shot.
Sis,
Yo,
what me do?
who the brother there?
Who? What me do?
Who the there?
Oh, I'm a brother, so me can't hold me.
Yo, what?
I'm a brother. From a me have two different father.
Jesus
I want
Christ. I wonder if you know, say, the nigga there stop me from make 500,000.
500. What you mean by that? Me not understand. Talk to me
Hey
straight.
girl, I hit work me do.
So me can hold on for your girl now and I say that.
What me say me do? Hit work.
Explain.
Them pay money for me kill man. And that the brother they stop my food. Right now me do business with your family, you know. No. Yo. What you say, man, right now? Yeah, me man, me ready. Ah. Here I go on. You have to go on, you know. Because my brain need to clear right now. And a matter of fact, me I go on the road and deal with something right now.
So where you go?
Yo. Not true, me tell you say I hit work me do. You feel like you want to come question out my thing. Come, go on up a yard. Because I don't even want you yes right now. Go on up a yard.
Alright. My phone. Later.
Shit. Yeah, my boss. Yeah, man. Coloring book. Yeah, man. So you want to know my father. You know some kind of have a look home. Thing will bother me from what here. Because you are going to know me general. No disrespect. We are do business all long right now. And basically, it's like the business what me I do. It not profit you. And it not profit me. You see me? And basically, me not make no money. And you alone I make all of the money. So right now, me not feel like me and you to continue to do business. You see me? And work together no more as a business partner. You get what me I say, bro? By any idea, me not see me alone I do the hard work. And nah profit nothing. So just that me I say. No, you're not listen what me I say. Basically, you two away a business partner 50-50. But when me look into it, it come like me I wanna the run around boy where you send out go deal with the business. So me mean 50-50. You alone make all of the money. Me not this too long. If me resign right now, if I go up on a local small island, it's like me not see what me have. What me have. And you alone make all of the money. Boss, you want me to say no? Respect you, you know. A long time I do business, you know. But me feel like you see what you sell look while, me feel like I threaten me, you know. Remember, you know, my friend, remember some used to be one of the boy in the street where you send out, go deal with your thing, you know. Alright, my boss. I that go on. Sorry, man. Big up yourself, man. Just remember, sir, treat me look well.
Hi.
Have a nice day, man. Big up
Hello.
yourself, alright?
Hi.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, man, good evening. How may I help you?
You can come up.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
you can forward up, man. You see me?
So we have some jewelry I sell.
Oh, you sell some jewelry?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I love jewelry, you know. My favorite. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, but matter of fact, you know, say, can't see say you go reach far in a life, you know, cause really a nice look a young girl like you walk around and sell some stuff, you go make it in a life, you go reach far. You see me? Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Respect. Thank you for the kind words.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. It's not a compliment, man. It's a fact. You see me? Show me jewelry that I have, you know. Because I kind of love jewelry, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, show me them. Father God. Hold on. You don't have to do this. Anybody listening, you don't have to do this. You see me?
Listen. I've been seeing the streets. And you seems like a good person.
Me a good youth.
Which, you're a legend. But me don't know why you do that, Monday. Being pay such a money for your head. And me I do my job. So me have to get
somebody send you. Please. You don't have to do this. Please. You don't have to do this. Think about it, please. Think about it. Think about it. You're a nice lady, you know. Think about it, please. You don't have to do this.
Only thing I think about right now is money. Money is my future. My brother.
Me can't give you money. Me can't give you money. Me can't double it.
Listen. I'm sorry about this, but
I wish the rain wash it all away.
Yeah, man, what you know? I don't want you to give up, man. Because what you know? You say whatever you got to in a life, it make you who you are. And people sin for the sake of progress. So I don't want you to give up. Hold on. I get a call. Yo, Pinnock. What? My cousin? My youth. And a prank can't prank me. Yo, one thing me have to say to this, you know. You see, anybody will hurt my cousin, watch me and them here. I wrong somebody they play with. You see, yo, you know, say that the man there talk to me other day and tell me, say, yo, whole peace, and me a whole peace now. I know they stir up my brain, youth. Brother, my one and only cousin, you was there with me, youth. And I try to groom me right way. Brother, I can't even know what run through my head. Yo, look at more here, man.
Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but I am hurting too. Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memory.
I think it's the best thing to do, and just done that something. No, just have a bad vibes. It just come out a second chance, third, fourth chance. And I say, far would say just gone back in the end. So I think if it take a time off, man. No.
I'm sorry, I'm still funny for yeah, but I was getting I want to feed. I want to take care of it. No job when I do want to take care of it.
Don't make enough. You can start something, put a beat up on the road, do something. Anything possible, man.
It's not going to say no one about me. Not now to me. Just take it out here.
No, me not want
bad feelings.
No, listen to me. It's not about me wanting nothing to happen to you, but it's a possibility that something serious can happen because we are playing a risky game right now. Me know everything what I want. You understand what I say? We just don't want certain things reach. Money reach my account, you know. And then time money bing in my account, I know say I sit in the deal. You understand what I say? So just come off now. Go enjoy yourself a little bit, man. But Panama, Bahamas or some place. You go to America, you apply for American visa. You see smile for your face like you think about it, but that smile don't mean say don't make that smile when I see my face mean what I think yeah.
Actually, don't mean it. You know, it's hard like come out of this.
Hold on, you enjoy doing these things? Like,
Of course.
like unenjoy doing. Please. Yo, just make me start something.
Alright.
Different.
Alright. Just go drop it then.
Go drop it when? Talk to me like, yeah, brother, you know.
Alright, after today. Drop it.
But today last day night, basically. Say I'm wanting to work with it tonight.
No. If I see me go and check you.
It's just not too long to sit, no joke.
Alright, drop it. That's it.
Listen, I say. Come on, just come.
Alright.
See? You come now, you come there.
Yeah, come on now. As me say, now. Feel like me I want to use the battery.
It's about you.
Depend on the ends over this one.
Alright, because me have one little cat here we come and just see me. So me meet her here.
Nah, cheers.
You know what I think, bro?
Love you here, bro.
Love you, sis.
Alright.
Keep safe, you know.
Yeah.
Alright?
I will, you too.
Yeah, man. So, me go buy food and carry here.
Alright.
I'm going to have for your KFC.
Okay.
Later. Go business.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the
Bro, you mean thanks for the at least for that, bro. Yo, money
so
could have
yo.
depend on space or on a farm for your money there. Fly gone. But
Yeah,
some money
what
we are
going
the
on now? A different pyramid depend right now. My cousin drop out. And a darkness me up here right now. You know, hear nothing I talk about in the street to analyze him.
Bro, you know, some now go around and we hear certain things, but how your pockets there?
You mean how my pocket stay? Me and you are bridging, and you can't give me few information. Me say if you don't hear nothing will go on the street.
Alright, me tell you part of it. Me hear so I look at things go on, you what they call it, gym. So I might call the shot them.
Okay, so who analyze him? That more I know. Get to the point of this. Who analyze him?
Oh, your money stay. Me and you are bridging and dog. But yo.
Ask me an accent, you know. I tell you say me want know.
So brother, I call me out to kill me dog.
Me say who analyze him.
Why you? Me can't believe. Yo, alright, I gym a running program them now, but I not really gym control everything. He just collect him money, but I want a girl I run off the program them, you know?
So, you know the girl?
Yeah, me don't really know him like that, but me know something about him.
So tell me what you know, and that me ask you.
Bro, so you really not give me $1,000 or nothing?
Boy, me say tell me what you know.
The girl named Beck.
And which part she come from? Which part she live?
She in the streets, man, from around and so.
Me say which part she live.
In this area, bro.
Which part in this area?
You know, hard drunk there, so.
Which part of Red
Inside
Gun?
the postman.
Postman.
Mad youth.
Are you sure you give me right
Bro,
information?
I never tell her no lie. You know, I go and point in my face, bro. I'm to tell her a lie.
Right. Don't play with me now. No one no time to play. No play time. Done in a rat.
Alright, yo, I give you some more information. But now you have to give me at least 10 pack.
Youth, look on this. Say this, I'm a Glock 17. And a 17 in night. So if you want 10 pack,
Keep your money in your dog. Alright, you see girl, Beck, you know, over, you know, she was sitting there bar up a road. Black man.
yeah.
I just say normally hang out. But as me I tell her, postman, he lives inside her. But at that time, in frequent spots, all one night, like I this, I just say, good day all day. Might be in front, might be beside that. I say, yo, me no know nothing else, my youth.
Alright. Just make sure say information you give me right here.
You right, man. You right, dog.
Gangsta life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a life? Gangsta life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. Whoa, chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no
Baby
friend
girl,
from nobody.
can I beg you a minute of your time, please? Just want to tell you, say you just look beautiful. That's that more want to tell you, baby girl. Nobody
Thanks.
never tell us you're beautiful.
Yeah, but thanks. But what you want still?
Like you, to be honest, and mother really want to get to know you more. I don't know if that's possible.
Me I move fast now, because I left my bag over there, so.
You don't have to rush, man. I can't say everything in a 1 minute, man. Yeah, move, so. See you know what you cost in my life.
But no.
You
Easy,
send me
easy.
through a whole heap of problem, you know.
Look, no, you say you want one nice girl, right? Don't be nice.
Listen, I
You
don't
know
really
what?
have the time for talk much,
You know what? You know what me fi par with? We match, you know? We par with like nice couple
You see
that.
people like Uno are wicked. You know the amount of homes on mash up.
Just
The amount of people pitney on the left homeless, now no father, nor no mother. Because I do hitman work. Me! Nay not forget no hitman. Me can do this myself. Worry yourself, man. You nah make it. You nah have long a live.
Erica. Come down in our town, right? I Chinese man always the or buy ice cream. Myself you come now. Time is precious. Come now.
What happened? Who did this to you? What happened?
Listen. I wish we didn't make a perfect choice.
No, don't say that.
Look how me just tell my brother say. Me are done with this.
Yes, yep. Back. Woo!
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Na. Yeah. You say you are the dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach you, will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you bullet run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not, no, 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 no.